Good morning, everybody. Oh, sorry about that. Okay, here, market's already open, so let's jump on in here. AMC, $35.13. Sorry about that, guys. This my internet's been acting weird, man, and I finally got it going. I don't know. I had to reset the router this morning. I guess I don't know. I don't know what the heck happened, but same issue as yesterday. I don't. They must be doing repairs in my area or something. So I don't know, guys. Anyways, bottom line, we got it going. So I'm 5 minutes late or 6 minutes late here. So, anyways, good morning, everybody. Um, Good morning to all the new guys out here. Wow, we got a whack of people sitting here waiting for you guys, waiting for me. Awesome. You guys are gonna have to give me. I'm gonna go through. You're gonna have to give me 3 minutes here because I have not had a chance to do anything this morning. I've been running back and forth between my living room and this and the computer room. And good, we're getting a good push here. Wow, look at that. Good. Perfect. Perfect timing. Perfect timing to get back on here and get all this working. See, I couldn't even see what the market was at, guys. I couldn't even see because I had no internet. Good, we're at par. Yeah. So yeah, who do we got here? So yeah, good morning, Dave, Ken, Yorkie, Proud, MC, JP, Leon, the Lion. Okay, guys, give me at least a minute here. I'll be back. And look at this. This is beautiful stuff. Oh yeah, right up. We're gonna have a repeat of the other day there, eh? Look at that push. That's deadly. Deadly stuff. Deadly stuff. Right on. Boom. Yeah, exactly. Good morning, brother. Awesome. Beautiful, man. Wow. We got a little bit of a pullback, but that's that. Of course, look at the size of those candles there. We have to get a little bit of consolidation here. Let's see the volume coming in here. Wow, the volume's clicking pretty good. That's not bad, actually. It's clicking. It's all right. It's all right. It could be all right. Day. There's been some news out on AMC worldwide. So there's a lot of people that are probably new people coming in on this too. Good morning, Ryan. Carl. Okay, guys. Give me a minute here. Like I said, I haven't even had a chance to crypto. Good morning, brother. Just give me a minute. You guys talk on the chat bar there. Give me like 30 seconds and I will be back. Like I said, I haven't had a chance to do anything. I've been running back and forth between my living room and my studio trying to get this stupid internet going again. So we got it going anyways. So I haven't had any chance. I haven't even had a chance to have a coffee or anything. So I'm going to have to run down to the coffee machine, throw some coffee in the coffee machine and come back, guys. And I'm sorry about that, but hey, look what's happening to the AMC right now. It's at 2%. So guys, we got this today, okay? Joshua, Ed, I'll be back in a bit. Thanks, guys. Okay. Tell me that was swear in the mic here. Tell me that was the fastest at brewing a coffee. So, anyways, yeah, so so anyways, I ran all the way down the end of the house and filled the coffee machine up, ground coffee in the coffee grinder, and got it brewing, and came back, and we're at 36.50. Yeah, this is awesome stuff. Awesome stuff, guys. Wow. I'm getting too old for this. Okay, good. We're getting some consolidation here. Oh, that's actually, look at. Okay, so guys, a little bit of education for this morning. We'll see what this candle does, what it locks in at. And I'm going to give you guys some info here. There we go. I gotta see what this candle does, and I'm gonna see what happens if it locks in green. Come on, baby, lock in green. There we go. Come on. Beauty. Wow, didn't do it. If it was locked in green, that was called three crows, but it didn't lock in green. It locked in red. So I was gonna give you guys a sim. Okay, when you have a green candlestick like this, and you have three reds, it's called three crows. Okay, when you have a red, if you have three green on this side, it's called, with a red down here and a red up here, it's called three soldiers. Okay, that's your education for the day, guys. That's called reading candlesticks. Okay, so my knowledge for the day. So there you go. There's two lessons for you. There's $300. I'm just joking, but anyways, guys, let's see who else is on here. Good morning, Ed, Joshua. Okay, let's see, bro. Checking the stocks out I sent. Bro, check the stock out I sent. Joshua, what'd you send? Huh? Joshua, what'd you send, bro? Do you send? I don't understand what you sent. Did you on message? I don't understand, my friend. Okay, so we're gonna go through. Let's gonna check the portfolio here. I haven't even a chance to do that. We're gonna go through our list like we always. What we're gonna go through the ticker symbols. Excuse me. So CCL Carnival. Carnival Cruise Line is at $22.26. It is at negative 2.33. American Airlines AAL is at $19.32. It's down 2.26. Costs $18.06. We're at $2 or 0.28 in the red. Okay, so GME GameStop is 164.50 right now. They're at 0.34. And then we got the mother of all squeezes going to happen on AMC any day now, is at $36.21. It's at 1.57, and it's going up constantly in little increments. So we got Suncor Energy out of Canada, Alberta. SU ticker symbol is PAR. It's at $23.72 right now. Loop Energy out of Chilliwack, British Columbia, Canada is at $5.28. We got Air Canada at $24.23. It's at PAR. We got CGC. It's a marijuana stock. It's called Canopy Growth. It is at $17.38. We're at 0.91 in the red. We got Sundial Growers at 1.74. And they are out of Alberta, Canada. And we got MVIS. Microvision is at $13.68 right now. They're at 1.30, and they are in the red. Okay, we got BlackBerry out of Quebec, Canada. It's at $12.18, and it's at par right now. We're going to jump into some crypto currency right now. Dogecoin is at 1.32. We're at we're at 0.23 in the green with that today. And we got Bitcoin is at $36,540, a little bit of chump change. And it is at 0.19 in the green. Ethereum crypto is at $3,245 today, and it is at 1.52 in the green. Okay, let's get some messages here. Josh Bush. Right on, guys. Okay, Dan. Stan the Man Show. Good morning, brother. How you doing, bud? Josh. Dominique. Good morning, brothers. See the average sale price AMC Findel yesterday is about 2,000. Yeah. No, I don't know anything about that, but I know that there's a glitch on the system on Yahoo Finance. Let me actually find out the exact price because I don't like to give information that is not 100% correct. Okay, so I have to go back into my videos. Was it on my videos? No, it wasn't. It was on Reddit. Okay, no, I'm going to go off in a bit. It's not, I don't know the exact number. Okay, Yahoo Finance was on yesterday, and it came up as AMC at $11,000. Or no, 1,100? Sorry, it was 1,100, 11,000. I can't remember on that one. Whoa, we're at AMC's just cranking right now. We have AMC at 37.31, and we're at 4.46% in the green, and we are climbing fast. So, anyways, there's a glitch on the system, which it's not a glitch, guys. These things read, the computers read off. What it was is a true reading, I think. And it was a computer screw up. So it was a quick blast on the screen, and it came up with the candles on real I think it was on real numbers. There's speculation on that. We got a 50-50 across the world. All the ITs are saying it was true, that it was actual, that was the real number, that they tried to explain on how computers diagnose the computer language, and the computer screwed up, and it actually gave the real ticker symbol out of the dark pool. So who knows? I think that is the real number, because that's the number that we've been talking about, and it just makes sense. But you know me, I go out on a limb a lot, but there's no factual information to back it up. Except that the dark pool information, that the dark pool is supposedly sitting up in the upper thousands. We can't discuss a price on the channel. You guys can on the ticker bar, on the chat bar. I cannot legally do that because it's strictly speculation, and I don't want to do 15 years in jail. So just the way the laws are up in Canada here, guys. I wish I was in the States with you guys, because we'd be talking about it all day long. Right? So, but you guys can do that, and we have ways of communicating, so I can't get myself into trouble, but we have ways of communicating, especially when the squeeze is happening, and we are going to be talking about it live on the chat bar. You guys can talk about prices all you want, and we do have ways of communicating. Okay, so, and the guys that have been on the channel know that, and we have little systems that we have, and all that stuff. So, Big Sal, what's up, brother? Josh, FOMO will mostly kick in soon. It will. Yes, it will. We probably have new people jumping in right now. That's what's driving the price up. There's a lot of things happening with AMC right now. There is a little bit of covering happening. Okay, nothing that there's millions that need to be covered. Okay, it's not gonna screw us. Okay, guys, but there's little things happening. Connor, bro, what's up? Connor, how you doing? I agree with you. I'm just reading this, just Connor. So anyways, Connor, I have something to say to you, bro. Thank you very much for the intro into our channel, and everybody on the channel. And I've had comments from hundreds of people, even on my email, about about our intro and our ending sequence of our video, our last video. I got thumbs up all across the world, and I want to thank you. So everybody on the chat right now, Connor is the guy that built the intro for the Wolfpack CS Trades 101. There's the guy right there. That is the main guy that built that masterpiece. So you guys want to give him a thank you, please? I just did, if you wouldn't mind, because he's built our stats and he's made our channel into putting a nice polish on our channel with those added. So I'm just gonna block. Josh got blocked here by YouTube, so we're gonna unhide it. Okay, what'd you say, Josh? Just because YouTube blocked you for some reason, I unlocked it for you. What? Okay, anyways, Josh, yeah, I can't even open it. I don't know what you said, but message will automatically be held for review. Hidden from me. I don't know what. Well, good morning, Cam. Looking good. Good morning. I know, we're doing awesome this morning. Oh, good meeting me. Yeah, I don't know why it locked out. That was weird. You have a big rush. Okay. Okay, yeah, brother, that's awesome. Okay, we're getting a bit of a down. We're getting some consolidation, some sideways action, I call it. We're going to need a little bit to drive us up to the next level. I'm just going to go check. I am going to check our trend lines because we've been following this in January. Like, I was up there with one of the first people to have these stocks, okay? Up there. There's a whole whack of us, but we were... there's a bunch of people that are very, very old school on this, okay? So I have the trend lines from, they're my own trend lines, so we're going to actually jump onto the screen and check them out. Okay, our next trend line, and like I said, these are months old, okay? It's at $38.41. So we are almost there, guys. That's going to be hard to push through. There we go. There's our trend lines right there. We got two of them right there. That's really hard to go through. Dave, good morning, brother. And yes, you will. It is hard to believe that we're all going to have tons of money, and it is working in front of our eyes. So let's do a pullback here. We're starting to work our way up, guys. And this is on the 1 hour candle. So we're about halfway back to where we were almost at, okay? We're about halfway. We're about halfway to almost the $70 mark, okay? This is exactly... Look how big these candlesticks are now, man. They're starting to grow. So I just wanted to give you guys a pullback there on the stock chart. We are pretty close to this next trend line. This was a huge gap in this area, okay? So now that we've tested these waters, we're working our way back up the board. Yeah, like I said, with these new laws coming in, I'll put it back on the 1 hour candle with you, things are going to get crazy, like really crazy. We're going to have our low days, okay? But we're going to have our beautiful days like this, like the other day, like Friday. Friday was the last time since May, on a Friday, that it was green. Or March. May. I think it was May. Yeah, May. That's how long ago it was a green day on a Friday. Okay, last Friday. Just so you guys know, I looked back on that and it was crazy. I'm thinking, we haven't had a green Friday since Friday the 13th. That was awesome. That was awesome. So we're going to get a little bit of bounce here, guys. I'm going to go pour that coffee now. That's brewing. I can smell it. It's done. I can hear it beeping. Brush by name, brush by nature. Okay. That's what you mean, Josh. Because I was wondering, because you got blocked. I was blocked what you were saying, and then I was wondering what you were saying. And then you said, yeah. Okay, makes sense now. Okay, man, that makes sense. Okay, just to answer you guys' questions before I take a coffee. I'm only going to be like 10 seconds. Okay, Connor, I think that the government will push things to happen before the first of the week next year. Of this year, okay. So they can capitalize on the capital gains tax and the first thing. Oh yeah, dude, they're making large. They can pay back all their stimulus money with this, right? Oh, for sure. And the government up here in Canada will be able to pay back their CERB money. Oh, for sure. Oh, for sure, guys. They'll be able to pay it all back on taxes with this. Like, seriously, there's that much money time. We're talking trillions and trillions and trillions of dollars that are tied up on this. And it's all coming out of the hedgies and the bank's pockets. Okay, give me 10 seconds here. Liquid gold, eh? Liquid gold coffee. I need my liquid gold in the morning. I gotta shut the door here. There we go. I got my liquid gold. There we go. Josh Ham. Okay, bro, I was just saying hello to you and okay, I was saying something about okay. Right here pays off lots from Uncle Sam. Oh yeah. Oh, for sure. There we go, game. We're getting this up. We're gonna get this tailwind, guys. Sorry about that. Okay. We're gonna get this tailwind happening here. Right here. What do we got? 36.84 right now. We're 3.21 in the green on AMC. My whole portfolio just went red, except because I don't own any GME. The whole portfolio is red right now. I'm losing thousands of dollars on all the other stocks, but I'm making it up on this one. 3%. I'm probably about $1,500 ahead. You guys are probably around there too. Depends on how many stocks you own. Felix, what's up, brother? Steve, good morning. Richard, good morning. Okay, so what we're going to do is hopefully we can get this tailwind here. This little bit of a swoop up here, and will bring us to the next level. We can get it, or we can get a W or a cup and handle form out of this. Would be nice. Dexter Smith, good morning, brother. Good morning. Wow, everybody's pulling in here this morning. Yeah, we got a fight on our hands definitely this morning. Let's see the volume. Yeah, the volume's not going that bad actually. It's steady. It's steady. It's not like crazy, but and there's nobody selling, guys. Like I looked at the stat. Like, well, of course, there's always people selling on stocks on every stock around the world. But we're talking like the major players and like us and stuff like that, like that have substantial amounts of stock, like anything over like 10. There's maybe people selling 1 or 2 shares, but nothing crazy. Monty, hey brother, how you doing? MT Beast at $13, $11.81. That's awesome. Good for you, man. Good for you. Yeah, I own 940 some odd shares, and I bought two different stakes. I bought at 2 different levels at $8.23 and $14 and some change. I think it was like 14.20 something. So yeah, I'm hitting close to 1,000. So yeah, it doesn't matter what you own, you're gonna make a substantial amount of money. And I just want the people that only have a couple shares out there on the channel hey, that's awesome. Like seriously, like you don't have to stress out, oh, I'm not going to make the big money. You don't look at it like that. It's just this thing's gonna go to unseen levels. Like it's gonna be the highest stock in the world that any stock's gone to. So just don't worry about it. And it's gonna be all covered live on this channel. And we're gonna be talking to each other when people are planning, when we're planning on doing our selling and all that stuff. It doesn't matter. It's gonna be all covered live on our other channel. On this channel, we're gonna be discussing, as you know, I can't discuss prices, but I can discuss what I'm selling or when I'm talking about selling. So that it's up to you. I can't tell you guys to sell, but hardly anybody's going to hit it at the top. And if you wait to hit it at the peak, you'll probably lose all your money. Okay, you guys know yeah. Okay, so we're going to be covering it live, and there's going to be called massive dips, where it's going to be dropping at $300-$400 increments, and then it's going to go back up thousands. Okay, so we're going to be covering all that stuff. And yeah, guys, so it's just gonna be in your gut feeling of what you think is a good price for yourself. Bottom line, okay? And I'll be selling in 3 increments. Okay, I already told everybody that, and I already have my own system made out, and that's what I'm doing, and that will turn me into a multimillionaire. I'm okay with that. Okay, so what's going on here? Fucking thing, dog hair here. I was petting my doggy this morning when I was out there. Okay, so $36.88. We're getting that upswing now. Fuck, what's going on here? 3.28. Remember I said we're gonna get that little bit of a tailwind here. Hopefully that's it right there. So we can do a little. We need a couple of stepping stones to drive us up here. That's what I was doing on Friday there. There we go. David, what's my plan after the squeeze? Okay, what is the other site to watch the squeeze? Okay, what is the other site to watch the squeeze? I thought I had it on YouTube, but now it's not showing up. It's on YouTube. It's on YouTube on our other channel. CS Trades Live. I can't give you the stream key right or the link right now. If you go back into the video, they're on like multiple videos. If you go back into the video that says talks about it, I think it's the 4th video back about what I'm doing in 3. It's under part 2, I think 1 and 2 of what we're doing with the squeeze. It's all on there. It's on YouTube, and it. And then I'm just going to go back and after the squeeze, I'm just going to discuss in order here. After the squeeze, what's my plans? My plans are to buy dividend stocks. I'm investing over 3/4 of my money in a dividend stock and turning myself into a multi-millionaire. I'm going to have over probably about 10 streams of income coming in multiple thousands in each category. And within 10 years, I'm going to triple my money. So I already have plans. I've already done it. I've run the stock market before. I've like I said, I own nothing or owe nothing. I have my house paid off. Everything's paid off. Like I've done really good on the stock market without AMC. Okay, I already know what I'm doing. So okay, I have a plan. Going to sell my Verse 100 when I'm up at 1K. Okay, that's good. Yep, you're around what I'm doing, Josh. That's I have a sort of a plan like that. Then I'm gonna let. Oh, that's pretty good. Josh, that's a good plan. I like that one. Josh, you're around you're the same time as me. We're old school ones. Okay. My hypothesis is that the crypto will be huge signal for us. They have been for a couple weeks, so if we couldn't see the tank like hard. Praise up. Yeah, crypto's gonna guys, crypto is gonna Connor's right. This is just my predictions. It's a speculation at this point, and a lot of people are on it. I'd say 3/4 of people in the world are on the same thing. Crypto's gonna tank hard because they need to sell it off to pay for AMC. There's a lot of people that are in on it. Okay, but that doesn't mean that it's gonna go back up. It's gonna go to the skies of the heavens, man. When after it goes down, when people get all their money from AMC. They're going to go into crypto. I know that for a fact. I'm even buying some crypto. Okay. Monty, you're selling all your shares at once. Yeah, a lot of people just want out of this thing, man. Like, get the hell out and get my money, and that's it. I never want to go back into the market again. There's a lot of people jaded from this, man. This is not normal. I've been doing this for years and years and years, and I've never seen a stock like this. This is friggin' nuts. So, like, I can understand why people just want out, man, and get their money. And then Ryan, yeah, dividend stocks. That's what I'm doing. Just because of the taxes, right? Because we have to remember, when you sell out, you pay 37%. You might as well just count 30, 40%, 37%. You might as well say 40, round it up. 40% of your money is taxes. It's gone. You got to put it away, or else all your money will be taken from you from the IRS, okay? They will take everything that you bought, and if you don't have the money, you'll be going to jail, okay? That's the end of story, especially with that kind of money. Yeah, not a problem. Go over my, okay, can you briefly go over your 3-tier exit strategy again? Okay, that's not a problem. You're new to the channel. Okay, so when it hits up to a level, I can't discuss prices, okay? When it gets to a level, I can tell you I'm going to dump 188 shares, okay? That's my money to recover. It's called a recovery plan, okay? Everything's paid for plus in my head. In case AMC gets put on halt for 30 days to 60 days for a fucking, for a cool down period, it can happen. Okay, and there's people I've argued on Reddit. It can happen. I've proven it on multiple documents. Okay, they can have there could be a problem with anything. There could be a problem with a lot of money. There could be a cool down period. It's going to kick breakers. We're going to kick 10, 15 breakers off going up because the volatility of this stock. Okay, when it just automatically going to kick breakers. I already know that. Look at the breakers we kicked on GME, and it wasn't even that violent. It only went up to a couple $100 when it was breaking off breakers all the way up. Okay, usually a breaker will set for 10 minutes. That's what it does. The stock market it's called a cool down period. Okay, and what it will do is it will kick for 10 to 15 minutes. It'll just kick off. Okay, and they can't do anything about it. It's set. It's a computer program. Okay, that's normal. Okay, we're okay with that. Okay, it's just when it kicks off, and then the SEC or the NSCC steps in and shuts it down, okay, for 30 days. There's a problem with that, I think, okay? I think that it could happen. It could. I'm not saying it will. I want to have a good chunk taken out by then. I want to be able to kick back and go, oh, good. I got a couple $100,000 in my pocket. All my stocks are paid for. I can sit, right? You guys can take as long as you want. That's my exit strategy. And then I'm going to go up to the next level. Like I said, I can't discuss numbers. And then I'm going to dump the rest of it, the 3/4, and then I'm going to keep the rest, the little bit of a chunk, and try to ride it to the fucking end. And if I can't get the end, I didn't screw myself. I'm still a multimillionaire. Okay. So, and then the rest, I'm just going to try to just white knuckle it. And then try to get to the end. I'll be doing all this live, guys. Okay, I can discuss the I can't discuss because the ticker screen says a number on it, and I can discuss what my shares are, and then I can punch out what it is. I can discuss that if it's about to do with me. I just can't tell you guys what to do. I can tell I'm selling it, and I can't say, oh, hey, I hope you guys should sell. I'm doing it right now. No, I can't say that. Okay, guys, it's a very, very fine line. I think you guys got the lingo by now. Like, you have to think outside the box on this, man. But most of the people on my channel know how I operate when I discuss something. When I'm talking about myself, I'm mostly talking about you guys. Okay? It's just the wording. Okay? Okay. So, did that answer your question, my friend? Okay. So, I went over my exit strategies there. There's my 3 exit strategies. Found it again. There you go, brother. Dave Willis. See? There's just log on that channel. Sub to the channel. It's a dead channel right now. There's one video on it to say, hey, you're on the right channel. That's going to be going on live. That'll be running 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, right around the clock. I've got a laptop, brand new laptop sitting here, right here. Brand new, $5,000, $4,000 laptop sitting here, all gold plated, right there. Brand new, right? Brand new laptop sitting here. It's a gaming laptop. It has the software out in. It does one job only. It's going to be hardwired, and right to our router. We've got 150 gigs of data pushing down the line on a Cat 7 cable, which is right here. Brand new, ready to go. Okay? So, there you go. That's that. So, I'm ready, guys. I've got everything. So, we're ready to go. As soon as that squeezes, we got it. So, and then this channel is going to be broadcasting live, not 7 days a week. We're going to be doing our own time. We'll be coming on probably a couple times a day, 2 hours, an hour in the morning, 2 hours in the morning. We're going to be doing Power Hour, okay? And that's it. I'm taking breaks during the day because it's going to be going up and down and all that stuff, but you guys will have the tools. You guys do what you want. I can't tell you what to do. So you guys do what you want. You're going to have access to that channel all the time, so when the stock market goes in after hours, you can still watch it, okay? And we're going to have a backup. We're going to be using Webull for our platform, for our scanner, but we're going to have a backup scanner too, in case this one goes down. We don't want any glitches, okay? So if it goes down, I'm going to have a couple people that are going to be watching it 24 hours a day. When I'm sleeping, there's going to be people watching that computer, that screen. Okay, if it goes blank, people are going to be waking me up and saying, hey, you got to fire up another scanner. You got problems on that, okay? Don't worry about it. We got you covered. Okay. Okay, let's go back in here. The max price can go to, it's not going to 500 grand. I say about, I can't discuss prices, but I can say it probably won't go to 100 or 500,000. I just can't see it. That would be the highest stock ever in history, and there's breakers for that stuff. The computers I don't even think can go that high. Okay. Okay, I sold off crypto, bought another 20 shares of AMC. Joe, right on, good. Yeah, I liquidated a lot of my stuff, man, to do it. Crypto is the future. It will be, yep. Not right now, but it will be. It will be, for sure. People are built, there's roots for crypto. Well, you have to look at the yen. They have crypto yen coming out. Like, the U.S. economy has crypto. They're having crypto U.S. funds. It's being made right now, guys. I know that for a fact. Okay, they're trying to rush the Chinese, and the Chinese crypto is actually going to be on the market before the U.S. crypto. Okay? Dude, what's a good platform to use for crypto? I don't know. I'm not into big in crypto. I just use Webull. There's people on here that can answer that for you that are hard into crypto here. I'm not. Okay? Not yet. I only do one play at a time. Okay? I'm concentrating on my moneymaker right now because crypto's not a moneymaker right now. Okay? It's making a little bit of money, but it's not going to make you millions and millions and millions of dollars. Okay, I concentrate on one thing. I am a very busy person with this. As you know, I got a channel. Yeah, so I keep focused on one thing. So, Connor, when purchasing land, make sure you also purchase the mining rates for that land. Damn rates. Okay, yeah, I like that. Well, I'll be getting some land, man. I'll be getting a claim up in the mountains, right up in the Yukon. You guys all know where the Yukon is, right? Gold country. I live in gold country right now. I live in the mountains right now a little bit, on the foothills of the mountains. Any news on your friend FBI friend Cam? Any news on FBI? Sorry, buddy, it's early in the morning with abbreviations. You're going to have to, I'm a little dozy this morning, man. Friend Cam. FBI. You'd have to enlighten me on that, my friend. Sorry. I'm a little slow this morning. Okay, AMC is at $37 right across the board right now. 3.75%, and it's the only... GameStop is at 165.20 for the people who are on their way to work. It's at 0.77%. So that's the only thing green on the market pretty much. Everything else has gone bad. Coinbase, yeah. Coinbase, Block F. There you guys go. There's some information coming out for you. Free, good morning, brother. Good morning. What's your opinion on price movement the last year of the... So I'm interested to hear what you think. KPLL LTS. Is that a ticker symbol? Sorry, Connor. You guys, it's so early. You're going to have to spell this stuff out, man. I'm a little slow this morning. You have to. I haven't even had my coffee yet. Yes, I'm Canadian, Dave. Hey, can't you tell by my accent and the way I spell go, yo, love y'all? Can't you guys pick up on that? Yes, I'm Canadian. And over 90% of my clients, subs, whatever you want to call them, are their 90% is from America. And we deal with the whole Canadian region on Reddit, everything, the Wolf Pack. We are the main guys. You're Canadian too, Dave? Whereabouts are you from? I'm from Vancouver, BC, British Columbia. I'm buying shares Friday because that's my payday. Yeah, I doubled down or not double down because I couldn't afford to double down. That means buying double your shares what you already own. That would be 2,000 shares, and there's no way I could afford that right now. That'd be like 40, 50 grand right now. But anyways, yeah, putting everything you can in. Ticker say okay. Oh, not a problem. I'll look it up right now. I hurt my arm when I pulled that computer out because I already have a torn rotator cuff, and I got a cortisone shot in my shoulder yesterday. Not a problem. Oh, I see it. Okay, thanks, Connor. I see it, bro. Thanks for spelling it out. Oh. 3.2, and it went into after hours. Here, let's have a pullback on this. Holy shit. What happened there? That's a big dump. Did some news happen? Did they get themselves into a lawsuit or something? What the hell happened there? That's a huge pullback, man. Holy shit. It went over half down. Connor, I don't know anything about this, my friend. And that doesn't, I don't know. Let's have a bigger look at this. Why did it go down? Wow. Okay, it's at $19. It goes along here. It goes up. That's normal, up and down, up and down. Now that's all normal. But then it goes down here, goes to $7 and goes all the way back up to 14 and then slams down to like nothing. I don't know, my friend. Something happened in here. Did they get caught up in a lawsuit or something, or just some bad news? Or it looks like that's pretty bad. There's not even one green candle in it. That's a full rundown. I don't know anything on this, Connor, at all. I'm sorry, my friend. I'm sorry. Wow, that's weird. That's like 50. That's like 100% drop. That's over 100%. Well, because half of 3 and 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 200% drop. Wow. Yeah, that's bad. Do you have money in on this, my friend? Okay, I'm going to go back to AMC. I was just looking at that. Okay, we'll go back on the 1 minute candle. Ooh, back over here. Let's have a look here, guys. Oops, too much. There we go. I just want to see that. Okay. Until I was Jamaican, man. Ha ha. Right on. Stony Creek, Ontario. Okay, yeah. I've heard of that place, man. Cool. That's awesome, man. I've heard of that place. I've never been to Ontario. I'm going to be doing some traveling after all this pays out. Is ADT dividend? ADT, K, ADT. Okay, let's look it up. Oh. I think this is ADT, the telecommunications line, right? That's what you're talking about? Yes, it is. It is dividend. What you guys want to look for right down here is where it says dividend yield, okay? It's 1.63. It's a low dividend, but it is dividend. It's not, that's 1.3 is low, I would say. There's other companies out there, but ATT's been around for a long time, so you'd be safe with it. You have to think some dividend stocks, the ones that are up in the 10, 11%, you got to watch it because if they're on their way out of bankruptcy, you're going to lose all your money. You got to do research on the company, guys. You can't just go, oh, that's like, that one has the highest dividend in the world, and you jump in and the company's on, it's in bankruptcy protection. because they're trying to sell as much as they can before they collapse. Okay, you got to watch that. You got to do your DD too. You can't just jump on it. But I can talk, if you're at the end when we're buying all that stuff, I can look into that stuff and talk about that stuff. I'm allowed to talk about that kind of stuff. I just can't tell you ticker is T. Oh, okay. Because I've seen something else there. Ticker symbol T. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Yeah, it is dividend. They pay a really good dividend, 7.36. Yeah, that's a buy. And I know this company's a good company. I thought it was mixing it up with other ADT. ATT. ATNT. Yes, okay. I've got the and in there. Okay, sorry guys. But yes, this is, that's what I was wondering, 1.36. That doesn't make sense. And I kind of knew they were a dividend. I didn't know how much it was though. That, yes, for sure. That is a killer dividend. So on 100 grand, if you put 100 grand in on this, you're looking at $736 a month. Continuous income coming in. Right? That's a moneymaker. That is something that could give you some good money for the rest of your life. No, Connor, not a problem, my friend. Hopefully, if you did buy some, you did what you did, right? Hopefully you got it at a cheap price. If it goes back to, I thought T reduced their dividend. Whatever it says on, T reduced their dividend. Whatever it says on there is the dividend, my friend. They're pretty accurate on that stuff. Actually, hit Google with it. Just Google it. Just say the ticker symbol. Oh, they got rid of DirecTV. I don't know. You guys would know more about that than me. I'm just going off a computer screen. Google it. You can always say, what is the dividend on it? It'll tell you immediately. Any stock. But just do your... This is supposed to be up to the minute. Because it's a stock screener, right? You need to have accurate information on this stuff. Because that's what people look at before they buy stock, right? Do your... You can even phone them directly and say... Call customer relations and just say, hey... I'm thinking about buying some stocks here off you guys. What's your dividend yield? The yield, you got to find, if you say dividend, what's your dividend? You can get false information on that, okay? You want dividend yield, okay? Because a yield is what you're getting. You're yielding off them. But thank you, Kim and Kay. Awesome, you enlightened a bunch of us on that. I would buy into that, for sure. That's a buy on me. For sure, I'd be on that, for sure. I'd put 100 grand on that if I had millions of dollars, for sure. Right? Okay. Just having a look at everything else here, too. Okay, what do we got here? Oh, what did I do to the screen here? There we go. There we go. See the trend lines. Look at all the lines I got set up here. We're getting closer, guys. We're getting closer. Hey, I want to jump back there again. I like that screen better. 30-minute. Oh, yeah. Look at that. That's on the 30-minute, man. Look at the anchor. Look at what we've done. That's pretty good. Since market open, on the 30-minute, look how much green we got. That's only 2 candles because it's every 30 minutes, but it's pure green. Look at that go. I like the 30-minute candles better, but a lot of people don't know how to read it. Yeah, that's pretty good. The heads up on that. Yeah, thanks, Kim. That's awesome. Yeah, do your DD, guys. Always do your DD. Don't just go off of what I said, okay? You guys got to, even on every information you got to do. I do it. If you guys tell me something, I will double check it. It's not that we don't trust you. It's just that you should do that with everything in your life. It's the same as buying parts for your car. You get a price from one garage, you should call another garage and get another estimate, right? It's just how it is. It's the same thing when you're asking with stocks, right? But when a ticker symbol says the price, it is the price. Okay, when it's an actual ticker symbol saying that, but not in the dividend, breaking it down in the company's assets. There could be construed information, right? Maybe it's not up to time, right? Because Webull is Chinese. It's a Chinese checker. It's a tiny Chinese stock screener, right? Okay, another solid dividend option is Starwood Properties, ticker symbol STWD. Okay, yes, have a look. Let's have a look. STWD. Starwood Properties, right there. Starwood Properties. They don't have that much movement, but that doesn't mean anything because we're after the dividend yields. 7.1 or 7.51. That is pretty good, guys. That is beautiful. I don't care what this does. I don't give a shit what the screen, if it loses money, makes money, it doesn't really matter. You're after the dividend yield, right? Of course you want it to make money because your portfolio builds, right? But if it's having a red day, you're still reaping that dividend yield. Free, I hope we see, what are we at? I got to go back here just, guys, because we're getting a bit of a push there. But there's my take on that. Yeah, Free, I hope we get $40. I hope we do. There's a lot of good stuff happening. If we can keep on working our way up the chart here. Damn it, screen. Come on. There we go. And we're not that far away. Another 4% will put us there. The Kringle Kitty interview. I did look into Kringle Kitty. I did note with Oliver A. Hedgie. I did look into Kringle Kitty interview, not the interview, but I looked into something on Twitter about Kringle Kitty. I was wondering what the hell is everybody's talking about this Kringle Kitty thing, and I looked into it, and it's funny. It is kind of funny, man. It's kind of like making fun of everybody. It's kind of the Kringle Kitty the cat, right? Free, yeah. Good for you. You're getting up there, buddy. I remember when you were only at 100 and some odd. Free. Good for you, brother. You're getting up there, my friend. These prices are getting pretty expensive to be buying, though, but every bit helps, man. Every bit helps, right? Enbridge, yes. DM, Enbridge. I own Enbridge stock. Enbridge has killer dividend. They're a solid company. Same as Suncor Energy. Energy sector is good to buy into. He has 5.5 years of working with hedges. Okay. That makes sense. That's why he has so many followers and stuff. I was wondering how this stupid cartoon cat thing, that's what he comes on across. PSCS 8. Oh, that's pretty handy. That's a good dividend yield. 8? Wow. Okay. How will you invest in dividend stocks? Will you dump a large sum money or cost average? No, I'll buy big chunks. I always buy big chunks when I buy stocks. I only buy $5,000 to $10,000 chunks. Yeah, no, my opinion. No, I can talk about that stuff. No, when I buy stocks, I buy 5,000 to 10,000 increments. Always. That's what if I'm into a stock, I'm into a stock. I don't mess around. Unless I can't afford it, of course I'll average up. Right? Like AMC, like I would average, of course I'd buy like a couple shares more and add it to my portfolio. But if I'm not into a squeeze or doing anything like that, I just buy in chunks, and if I have the money, all my stocks are in $5,000 increments. They're 10, right? Like but when I buy BlackBerry stock, I buy 10s, 10,000, 10,000, 10,000, right? It's easier for me to calculate my money that way. I just have a calculating mind, right? So if I buy a $10,000 chunk, it's easier. The numbers all make sense, right? It's just me. That's just what I do. And if I'm buying, if I buy, yo, pimpin', we're going up good, guys. This is what we need, this gradual increase. This is what I'm going to do is, Andy made me laugh in my head and I can't concentrate now. So, yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to probably dump $50,000 to $100 chunks, $100,000 chunks onto it. Most I'll put on the stock is probably 100G on each company, just because insurance reasons, right? That's a lot of money. And I could maybe in one broker I'll put 100,000, and then I'll go over to another broker and go in that same company, put 100 grand. But I won't put over 200,000 through one broker onto it, not onto one, because every stock's insured differently, right? It's just not smart. It's not smart business. Somebody recommended seeing a financial advisor. Who recommended that, my friend? I'm not seeing one. I am my own financial advisor. I don't need to pay somebody for that. I know what I'm doing. You guys can. You can do whatever you want. I've been doing this for years. I'm already worth large money. Will BlackBerry squeeze around the same time? BlackBerry has double the shares of AMC almost. Just so you know, there's a lot of shares out there. BlackBerry, yes, I can see it going up. There's a lot of people into BlackBerry. A lot of people have sold their shares in BlackBerry. BlackBerry will go up. The squeeze won't be nowhere near. None of the squeezes will be nowhere near like AMC, guys. It'll be except GME will be pretty close. There's more people that own double AMC than GME. Oh, the price is too high. People got in late. There's a lot of people getting in late, guys. Same as you guys are buying more shares now, right? It's the same thing, right? So I'm not saying they're going to go into the hundreds of dollars, maybe into the thousands, but I can't see it going into like as high as AMC. I just can't see that. There's just not enough power there, right? Good morning, Frank. But I do recommend you guys see a financial advisor if you want to pay somebody. But I would on your taxes. Yeah, that's smart if you're doing taxes and paying all that stuff. I'm doing it all in my head. I already have it all figured. I already know what the taxes are in the country. I know what I'm putting away, right? I'm putting 40% away, not 37, because things happen, right? I don't want to owe. Damn, 10K, question mark, 100K. Okay. I don't understand what you mean by that. You were talking about what I buy when I buy stocks? Yeah, I don't mess around, man. If you're going to make money, you make money, right? Like when I bought AMC, I bought $10,000 at once, chunk. And then I put another 5 down, and yeah, and on, right? When I first bought AMC, I put $15,000 down, just like that. I don't mess around. Because why? Unless you need to financially, but I buy what I want in life, right? Okay, I'm meeting with corporate lawyer. Yeah. Big chunk of my profits into the... Yeah, for sure. Okay, that's different. Okay, Warren. Okay. Shit. Okay, that's what you mean. Profits into LLC. Avoid as much taxes as possible. Legal out. That's right. My rate investments can be savings. Yes, that's right. Yes, Warren. Yes, you're right. I just didn't know what you were talking about. I thought you were asking for financial advice, like, should I buy this stock? Like a financial planner. Okay, you're paying those guys. You can make those decisions yourself. Just spend a half an hour on the computer and research it. Right? Okay, but that's totally different, Warren. You're talking about something totally different, and that's smart. Yes, you are smart to do that. And most of those, it's not that expensive sometimes if you talk to those places, right? And it can save you on the taxes. And you can use write-offs on that stuff too, right? Some of it's a write-off, right? You'd have to look into it, though. So AMC Entertainment Holdings is at $37.75. Free must be good luck. He got on here and said, hey, it's going to $40. So maybe it is. Maybe it is. We're not that far from it right now. We're like $2.20 away. Good morning, Tucker. Johnny. Oh, it's not. Sorry, it's somebody else. I'm reading the screen. Johnny. Morning, and no, just be smart. DM, I can't discuss prices on that. I think it's going to go into the multiple thousands. That's all I can say. I can't discuss actual numbers. It's going to be in thousands. That's all I can say. I can't be direct on that. I can be very over direct on it. It's going to turn people into hundreds of thousands to millionaires, multiple millionaires. I got some. Okay, gotta love Ken. I got some AMC and personal accounts and tax-free savings accounts. Yeah, yeah, yeah. In the States, you can get a TSA FA too. Yeah, mine's spread up too, and I'm transferring a lot into my TSFA too. My TSFA is already maxed out though, almost. I have tons of stocks in my TSFA account. It just compounds every month. Yeah, like you have to think I don't pay a mortgage. My house was paid off 6 months ago. I had my house paid off in 3 years. I bought my house 3.5 years ago. I had it paid off 6 months ago. So in 3 years, I had my house paid off. That's how good I am with money and making money. Okay, it's not everybody's like that, but I'm really good at investing. Okay, it's just the way it is, right? That's why I know I'm on AMC, because I know that I'm going to make money on it. I don't just put my money in anything, right? That's why I'm doing dividend stocks, because I know that I can compound all this money and compress it and make myself rich, filthy rich. Within 10 years after this, I'm going to be rich, but I'm talking like, so 10 generations down the road don't need to be worried about money. So we're getting it. We're going to push this. We're pushing this, guys. Yeah, Johnny, it's 6,000 years what you can contribute. But if you have a stock in there that makes 100 grand, you're allowed to do that. You know what I'm saying? So if you're only allowed to contribute, you're out of your own pocket, you're only allowed to put 58 to 6 a year. Depends on what the year is, what the government say. That's contributing like this. But if you have a stock in there that is building up interest, that's different. One's called contributing, self-contribution, and one is you contributing. There's two different ways. Every state's different. Every country's different. You got to look into that. Oh, yeah, you're worried about it pulling back so you can buy it cheaper? I don't know about that. Okay, sorry, Angie. Will AMC pull back this week sometime, as I don't get paid until tomorrow? I know it's getting expensive now. AMC's getting very expensive, guys, to buy. I don't know. It's gonna rip. Okay, it's doing it right now. We got FOMO kicking in right now, guys. There's people freaking out right now. There's people doubling down right now. That's what's driving it right now. But you have to think a lot of this shit's getting redirected. It's not making it to the market still, guys. We got this dark pool. Is over 60-70% of all shares you buy right now are not making it on the market, or they're sitting into a vault, a secondary book, and they're just sitting there for 3-4 weeks, and they're not putting them on the market. But I think that they're getting in shit for that, and they're scared shitless, because that's fraud, man. That's jail time. People are, after this is done, there's people going away for life. There's going to be hundreds of people going, and thousands of people probably that are tied to this freaking stock rares collusion crap that are going away for life sentences, especially in the States. They don't screw around with that stuff. Okay, Johnny, you got flagged here. I'm just going to show your message here. Okay, we got you unlocked. Okay. I don't know why YouTube locked that. Okay. Let's go to 50 instead. Yeah, no kidding. No kidding. Here, I'm just going to pull this back a bit, guys, so you can better look on the screen. I didn't know it was that hard to read. Here, just give me a second. There we go. I didn't realize that you guys can't, especially on a smartphone, watching it off my ticker symbol behind me on my screen there. You can't see that. Okay, let's get into messages here. I'm coming to visit soon. Andy, not a problem, brother. Go hunting in there. You're not a problem. 10 miles from the border. Dude, if we go to Zero Avenue into the 49th parallel, I can wave at you on one side, and you can wave. We can actually walk up to the fence. I think that the Border Patrol would be honest like that. But just don't bring your weed with you. And there's actually a couple spots where the road goes right by, and it's literally 20 feet to the other side. It's all monitored, right, with motion detectors and shit, and they're watching you from the fucking satellite, for sure. You can't, people think, oh, I can drive by and jump, no, you can't. But I can come by and I can, because I'm not allowed to the States either, we can wave at each other and yell over the fence to each other. That's as close as we're getting to each other, Andy. But we can meet in Mexico, my friend. We're going to do it, guys. We are going to friggin' do this. $38.25, 7.20 to the friggin' moon. We're doing this, guys. Oh, it's all good, Spartan. It's all good, buddy. Here we go. We just did it. We just passed our trend line. Holy shit. Oh my God. We're going to have FOMO kicking in, guys. This is going to go fucking nuts. Watch. Just watch. We just cranked. It's going to be hard. If we get another candle and we hold that level, oh my God. That trend line is so monumental. You don't even know how much strength it is to get through that. See, it's having to pull back a bit. It's going to be hard holding that trend line. Fuck. Sorry, guys. I'll read your messages in a second here. I'm just blown away right here. Yeah, see, it's pulling back. Fuck. Look at the volume coming in here. It's just go. Okay, we bounced over. Damn, I knew that was going to happen. I knew it. That trend line's so hard to hold. We need volume for that. Okay, we'll have a couple of tries. We're going to get it. Oh, we're having a drawback. It's okay, guys. We need a couple reds right there. We need some consolidation. Which is fine. If we have a red and then a couple... Wow, that's awesome. Okay. Okay, what's we going? Anything over at 10's a rep. Okay, I'll read some of your... Okay, thanks for the heads up. Not a problem, Kay, not a problem. Yeah, okay. Oh, sorry. Kay, I never even answered your question here. Just hang on. If I never contribute to TSFA, the TSFA contribute rolls over from year to year. Yeah, it does. It compounds. So say if you've never put into TSFA, this year in Canada, I think you're allowed to put 75 grand in. You can go, boom, 75 grand, and then 5 or 6 after the year after that. Yeah, that's how that works. And it's the same in the States, I'm pretty sure, if you've never used one before. Because that's what it was when it first came out. Oh, we just did it. We just did it, guys. We just locked in. We locked and loaded. We just did it. We're going to smash through this other trend line. We got it, guys. We got it. We just did it. We just locked in on that second trend line. Oh, you already answered. Thanks, Johnny. Thank you, Johnny. Yeah, she's correct. Okay. If I still in second set of books, then what happens if it rips while it's sitting in their books? Please elaborate. Well, it's the second set of books. If it rips, no, that doesn't affect you. That doesn't affect you. Your stocks, you get what you get what it says. I'm saying that these big companies, it's called order flow delay. It's all over that. It's what's happening, right? That's what's holding the stock down. Or else we'd be in thousands of dollars right now. For sure, this thing would be at $2,000, $3,000. The ticker symbol would say that right now. It may be even higher. It's called they're throwing it into a vault or a second book, and they're not letting it ever see the market. That's what all these lawsuits. That's what the SEC is in studying. That's what dark pool is. It's called redirecting it in the market. It's not making it on these charts. Do you understand that? That's why the volume. So guys, this pushback is normal, okay? These are monumental lines right here. The third one the fourth one will be a charm, okay? The fourth one, candle over, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, this is the fourth one, so we might have to go 5 or 6. We'll push through. We'll hold. Guaranteed we'll push through and hold. If we keep on getting this upswing. Okay. Sorry, guys. I was just into that. I'm going to have to catch up to your... Holy shit, you guys are way ahead of me on messages now. Is this a gamma squeeze right now? Kim, no, it's not. No, it's not. A gamma squeeze was when it hit 70. This is anything below... When it hit... Here we go. We just did it. Again, another monumental... we need 2 candlesticks over on this next trend line at 63. Anything over 10% is a rip. When it hits 10%, it's called a rip. In my eyes, this is my term. That's what I call it. Anything over 50% is a baby. It's entering into a baby gamma. Anything at 100% is a gamma. It's starting into a gamma. Like a gamma squeeze could be a couple 100%, right? This is FOMO, more like it. People are looking at this, holy shit, we better jump in now. We're going to lose it. That's what this is, probably. Or they're actually putting orders through because they're scared shitless, or people are covering a bit. Maybe they're covering a little bit, right? And this is pushing it up. Or maybe there's calls expiring in the money, and people are like, whoa, man, like, you know what I mean? Like, there's a whole bunch, there's puts, calls. It could be a whole bunch of things put together even in a big basket. Okay, it's going to go up to Jason, looks like May 27th. May 27th was that was the day. Yeah, thanks, buddy. I try to address all my comments, but I know things are there's gonna be a day when this gets going too fast that I can't keep up, and there's ways to slow it down, but yeah, I'm gonna have to get a mod on here. It's called a mod bot. Anyways, it's not that kind of mod bot that you're thinking of, like a shill, not that type. Somebody that answers the basic questions for you, right? It's just a computer segment program that like asks the basic questions. But if you ask about dividend stocks, it's not gonna know about that. I knew we were going to have a pullback sometime here, guys. It's fine. It's all good. It is what it is. That's beautiful, though. That was a nice little climb there. We're still going to go. Okay. Not a problem, guys. Okay, I caught up on all the questions. Give me 5 minutes. I need to have my coffee break now. What this is gonna do? People are waiting. What time is it? It's only 10 to 8. Oh my God! It's so early in the day. There's people not even out of bed yet. So when about 9, 10 o'clock, when people, like a lot of traders get up around that time, right? Because they like to let the market cool down and stabilize before they come up and start buying. So what we're going to do is we're going to see a second push here, guys. And it could drive us up like high, okay? It's going to be a FOMO buy. And what's going to happen is they're going to see a downswing right now, and they're going to go, okay, this is going to be the lows it's going to get today. We've got a bit of a down, because there's always on every market, there's a pullback. Every day on everything. You'll see there always is a little, it might be only 2%, it might be 1%, but there's always a pullback. Allison, how you doing? How you doing there, little girl? Did you get all your work done on your at your job and stuff? I know you've been working your little butt off. I wish I could come down there and give you a hand, but like I said, I'm not allowed to come down and play with you guys. But you guys can come out and hang out with me. We can go quadding, boating, all this stuff. I live in like the most beautiful country in the world. You guys do in the States, but I'm talking for recreational stuff. The thing is, it's cold here in the winter. That's the only good thing. I'd take Mexico over or Florida over this any day in the winter. But in the summer, I'd rather be up here. And everybody else is not on the chat more, welcome to the channel, okay? Because I know there's a lot of people that just like to kick back and listen. A lot of people like listening to this on way work. We were going to go on to Spotify. It's just that I'm not paying money to... I want them to pay me money. I'm not paying them money for me to broadcast on their channel. I looked into it. It's not going to happen, right? It's just not worth it. They should be paying us money. And what we do is buy more shares with the money. But yeah, I'm not paying into something just for them to broadcast my voice when my voice is making them money, right? It doesn't make sense. So we're not going to do that. We'll just stay the way we are because I'm happy the way we are. And then it just stays like where I can answer all your questions. I will visit after the squeeze. Yeah, not a problem. Not a problem. We could all meet in Mexico after the squeeze in the wintertime. If everything's safe, down there. I think things are getting a little crazy down there with the V. Is that a variant crap going around? I don't know. We'll see. I'm not really worried about it. I'm comfortable just hanging out and doing stocks right now. That volume's going. See, the volume is picked up. That doesn't make sense. The volume's going almost double the speed, but the stock is going. Well, that could be selling too, or not selling, but you know what I mean. It's both. It does both. But you can tell if it's people selling is because you watch the market cap. If the market cap goes like 58, 57, 58, 57, 7, 7, 7, back like that, that means that people are selling shares. Right? There's a lot of people that I wouldn't say that would be us selling. It's just people that there's a lot of people having different problems in life that are waiting for these numbers. Maybe they were bought in at $2 or something and they've already, well, you wouldn't make that. Well, you still make good money, but there's a lot of swing traders, right? That could be swing traders on here today, which is a bad thing to swing trade. You can really screw yourself. Okay. OG Wolf. Right on. Okay. New sub here. Brad. How you doing, Brad? I have a nephew named Brad. Not a problem, man. Not a problem. Yeah, this channel's we're all over the world now, man. We had people from Sweden, yeah, all over, buddy. We're one of these channels that it's not. I know a lot of these channels will have locked chat bars now, like locked chat bars where you have to pay to get on there and talk. A lot of people ask me if I'm going to do that. No. Am I going to do super chats? No, not at this time. Okay, it's not going to happen. Did you get my email? When do you just hang on a second? I'll check it right now. I think I did. Just give me a second here, Kat. I'm getting some renos done in my kitchen, right? Just give me a second. So I've been busy yesterday. They want $21,000 to redo my kitchen. I almost fell off the chair. So I'm not paying that. There's no way, man. I'm a welder. Fuck, why would I pay that? So anyways, I'll reach out. Hi there. Ha! Ha! That's funny. Somebody wants to pay me. Just hang on, guys. We got it. Just hang on. Somebody wants me to promote their stuff on my channel and pay me cash a month. I came across your YouTube channel. It's one of the fastest growing YouTube channels I've noticed. Well, yeah, we are ranked one of the top right now. Even though we only have a couple thousand, but the growth, they go by growth records. If you do, I'd love to have you in our network doing commission videos. You're an influencer market platform helps connect small businesses. I have made that transition of creative to creative influencer. Depends. I'll let you guys be the judge on that. Don't worry, I'm not doing hair products and any of that crap on here. Just hang on a second. I'm looking through here. How long ago did you send it? Cat? Sorry. Cat. I didn't mean to call you Cat. Okay, what did I do now? Idiot. Allison. I didn't mean to call you Cat there. Sorry. When did you send it? A couple days ago? Can you resend it? Oh no, was that over? Oh no, I did get that one. Ow. Oh. I just got a cortisone shot yesterday. Oh, it's so sore. It's not supposed to be sore. It's supposed to take the pain away. I did for to do a collab or a thing. I did, and I got your digits and stuff. Yes. I did. I don't have international calling right now, and the thing is for me to. I'd have to go buy a phone card. The thing, because if I change my phone plan, it's different in Canada. Once you lock into a phone plan on your cell and you get a good one, you keep it. We get screwed on, any other Canadian on who will agree, on our phone plans are nothing compared to the States. You guys pay $20-$30, unlimited across both borders, unlimited text. It's not like that in Canada. Okay, I pay $60. I have international or calling across Canada, but in the States, it's bullshit. We get screwed up here. But it is what it is. I'll write you an email. I'll talk to you in a bit on that. Today, I'll write you something up. Ape Fest. Ape Fest, question mark. No, I'm not going to Ape Fest, man. I can't go to the States. And no, I have better stuff than to do with that. To hang out with like Trey and Matt Coors? No thanks. No. Nothing. I'm not going to get into nothing. I just don't have anything in common with them. They're 20-year-old kids, right? No, we go to Mexico and we do fun stuff, right? Like, well, yeah, we'll go hang out in Mexico or something like that. And I'm not talking them down at all, right? It's just that they're into totally different kind of stuff, right? Can you download WhatsApp and use to call international if you have data on Wi-Fi? Yeah, I do. You can do that? You can download. Oh, thank you, Allison. And I can use my phone number? Oh, you can use what apps to international call if you have data? Oh, yeah, I have data and full data. I have unlimited data on Wi-Fi, for sure. Not a fan. I knew you guys would jump on that. Not a fan of Trades and Matt Coors. Me and Matt used to be friends. It's just that I'm not going to put them down. No, they're just a different age group than me. They're only 20 some odd years old, right? Matt, we used to talk on Instagram, and then the shorting and all that stuff started happening. And I started asking questions when I would start building my channel. We used to talk back and forth, and then he just blocked me for some reason. So I don't know. He's done that with a lot of people. I don't know. But right now, I don't know. There's a lot going on with him, and I'm kind of glad we're not hanging out and talking. I have nothing bad to say about anybody, creators on YouTube. It's just that we're on a different wavelength, right? I'm 44 years old, guys. Almost 45. It's kind of hard to talk to a 22-year-old, okay? My kids are older than that, right? Yeah, Ryan, Mexico is better than... That's what I'm saying, right? I'm not putting anybody down. Everybody has their own groove, right? Like, you have WhatsApp, Allison? Okay, let's do that then, for sure, and then we can see each other, too. Yeah, it is canceled, yeah. Yeah, I know that, 8 fans, yeah. Exactly, DM, yeah. I know. Yeah, that's one of the reasons why I would rather, that was one of the reasons why I don't talk with them and stuff like that, is because, Jason can relate. I'm 46. So the older guys that can relate, you guys know what I'm talking about, right? It's just that outside the stock market, there's nothing to talk about, right? Like, they're into girls, meeting girls and going to the bar and partying. I'll go to the bar and have a couple drinks and stuff, but I'm married, right? On Robinhood. Yes, you do. I'm pretty sure you need a visa anywhere you go in the world now. I have a visa, but I don't live in the States. Does somebody want to help manage it out? On that, do you need a visa for Mexico if you're in the U.S.? That I would not know, guys. I will never enter. We're getting a little bit of a pullback here, guys. So this is going to be an opportunity for people to buy. I'm not worried about this. We know what the stock can do. If we can hold green for the day, I've always told you guys this. If we're hitting at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5%, we hold that. That's good. It doesn't matter because we are just waiting for these laws to get changed, and it's going to go nuts. It's all good. Oh, it did. So somebody sold. Okay, Andy has some information here. AMC went down from approximately 710 million shares back down to 514. So somebody sold a lot of shares. That's what happened. Somebody dumped a whole bunch of shares on the market. So somebody waited for that. Yeah, something happened there. So it's all good, buddy. It's all good, guys. Somebody that they're getting bought up right now. And they're not the real share. They're probably synthetics. Just passport. Oh, yeah, visa. Duh. Passport. Yeah, you need a passport. Sorry, I misconstrued that. I meant to say not a visa, because a visa is for when you're in. Yeah. I meant to say everywhere you go in the world, you need a passport now, right? I have my passport. The market cap. Oh, okay. Yeah. So that, yeah, you're right on that. You're right on that, Matt. Andy, something happened there then. It's probably a big firm or something, a big whale. A little fun is more fun. I have no desire to wake up with a shave mustache. No kidding, eh? Just a passport. Yep, Brad. Yep. Brad is 100% right on that. I know that one. I was thinking visa. Yeah. So, but yeah, the Mexico thing, we're gonna have a blast, man. Oh yeah. My wife doesn't want it. She's like, you can go with your friends down there. We'll just go do another trip. I'm like, you're coming. She's like, well, no, you're gonna be hanging out with all your friends and stuff. And I'm like, well, only for a couple days. We'll stay a couple weeks. I'll do a couple days with them, and then we'll just hang out the rest of it. Like, nope, you just go have fun. I'm like, okay. My wife's pretty cool, man. Ow, damn. BlackRock selling. They will eventually. No kidding, eh, Kim? Yeah, Warren, that's the thing, right? I have a passport, not sure for visa to Mexico. If I know visa required, then I'll try to join you guys. Yeah, no, you can come join us, of course. Not a problem. You won't need a visa. Trust me, just a passport. I know that almost, I just was construing the words. That's my fault. That's totally my fault. You have to remember, I'm still waking up right now. Like, seriously. Like, I didn't even have a chance. Like, you guys gave me a chance to get my my crap together here first thing in the morning. Well, I came in here and I was, oh man, just the second, I'm like, this is the second morning. I was ready to call my service provider and just tear a strip off them. But I think they didn't update on my router or my router. And sometimes you have to reset it for it to, it's like a computer, right? You have to reset it for it to put the new information. I think that's what the problem was. Nah, 8Fest. Yeah, I think I think that guy's getting sued. I think he's actually in jail, isn't he? That Chad guy. Like, that was pretty bad. That was pretty fucked up, man. And there's people that he tried giving, he had the ultimatum to give back the money. There's people that don't even know that. Wow. That was a scam right from the beginning. And I'm not going to get into who, you guys know who was all involved in pushing it, and it is. Janet, it was a scam, and it was a scam from the beginning. I knew. Same as that share call thing on Yay or Yes or whatever the hell it was called. Everybody's like, register your shares. Remember, I came on here and told you guys that I got bad feeling about that, then I'm out. And 99% of the people on this channel were out too. When I came on there and broadcast, I said, this isn't a good idea. Giving your account information, your trader's account information. That's like giving your social insurance number to somebody and going, here's my DNA, here's where I live, here's all my medical records, here's everything about me. My whole genetic pool, my family, there's all my information. Here, have it all. That's what you just did if you signed up to that. They can get access to all of that stuff. I knew that right away, as soon as they asked for those traders' accounts information. Because it's all tied to your social insurance number. It's all tied together. Your medical, it's all linked as one. As soon as you have somebody's social insurance number, you can get anything on them. What phone plan they're using, then you can tap their phone. You can get their phone number. You can go. I know people that hack that can do that stuff within 25 minutes. They can get your phone number off of your SIN number because it's all linked to you get this person's bank information. You can find out where they get their electronic money taken out on the phone plan. Then you know that they're with AT&T. Then you can go to AT&T because you have all the same number. You can get in there, and then you can get their phone number, and then you can go into Find My Phone app, and you can track them. It's that easy, guys, nowadays. DM, I was talking what did Chad go to jail for? No, I said he did go to jail. I don't know if it was for I don't know if he's still in jail for setting up the GoFundMe page and this rating up a scam, man. That's serious stuff. I don't know if he's in jail still. He did a couple days in jail. Like they detained him for it. That's why he had to give back the money, right? The GoFundMe and stuff. You guys know about all this. It's all over the news. That's old news, guys. Old news. But the shares I was talking about, DM, is when they had to do registering for that share count, that you had to give it asked you on there. It said where are you from, and then it'll ask you your trader's account. You guys all, if you did it, they would have asked you for your trader's account information. And all I'm saying is that was a red flag, and we came on the channel. We were live. We did a live thing on it, right? And we were asking questions, and we went and looked at it, and we went on there. Janet Dixon, okay. Been in since very January. Okay, yeah, you're the same as us. Hey, brother, how you doing? Welcome back, and thanks for all the comments there. Thing. You got your son with you today? Okay, I just want to read some messages here, guys. Sorry. I'm going to do a broadcast here for the other guys on listens and audio. It's $37.45. We're at 4.85 on EMC Entertainment Holdings. Okay, I'm going to read some chats here. Okay, been in since, this is Janet. Matt told back then, if you buy a super chat, he buys AMC shares. Go. What? He said that? Ooh, that's law abiding too. I don't even know how many, he will not broadcast his shares, how many shares he owns. And he's saying it's because of legal reasons. Bullshit. Bullshit. Okay, even Ape Man called him out on that. That is... I don't know, man. I'm not going to get into that on this channel like that. It's just the whole thing's hokey, right? Yeah, when you promise somebody something when you're in the hundreds of thousands of people, people will sue you. You can't be saying stuff like that. Yeah, Janet, I can't comment on that. I can't. There's people that are friends with them and stuff like that on here, and I'm not saying you guys are, and I'm not that guy. I'm just not gonna. That's the same as somebody slamming or not slamming, but it is what it is. You guys can read them. You guys can read them. You know what it's all about, right? I'm just not gonna. I can't make comments on it, or I can. I can do whatever I want, but I just don't want to do that. He has his own problems. Trust me. Yeah, Warren, you heard. Yeah, it was live streamed. Warren was on here, and then all of a sudden, 3 days later, they called it. No, brother. Just you, me, Pa, and TD. TD. Oh, right on. What do you? Oh, MC, you would ask me. I knew somebody was gonna ask me because I brought up Ape Father. He's funny. He's out there. He's friggin' out there. He's way out there. I'm not gonna make, like I said, I'm not gonna make comments on him. Just because there's one reason why, is because I don't want him broadcasting me all over his channel like he does everybody else. He's a very vindictive person, and that's all I'm gonna say. I don't. He's in the ape movement. He's very into it. I don't know. I just see what he does to the other creators on YouTube, and it's just, I don't agree on that. So that's all I'm going to say. But he is funny. He's definitely funny. Okay. I don't really watch his material. I've seen maybe a couple videos. I don't support him. It is what it is, right? I don't know. I just don't agree on slamming people on YouTube like that. If you're going to go after somebody, get a lawyer and do it properly, right? Instead of calling people out on YouTube, hit them with a lawsuit. Do it that way. Do it professional. Right? Make it sting where it hurts. Right? If you're gonna go after somebody, sue them. Take all the shit they own. Make it hurt. Don't just go on there and start yapping about it. It means nothing, right? If you think that you got a ground to go after somebody, then do it. Kick him right in the nuts and go for him. Thanks, brother. Thanks, MC. Not a problem, my friend. So we're going a little bit back up. We're back from 4%. We're back up to 5.68. We're going to get this wave action. It looks like we almost had a W form, but it didn't. We could still be working on our second one here. It kind of curved. A curve action, which is fine. Brandon, what's up? Good morning. Good morning. What's a good Monday, Tuesday? Yeah, no kidding, eh? Both of them. We're back up to 6%, guys. Oh, we were. It's just bouncing around. Yeah. So yeah, we're getting that recovery from that. That looked like a dump. You're right. That shared something happened there, but it's working its way back. I knew we were going to buy those up like hotcakes, right? It's just that this stock's too hot right now, right? I'm just looking at the volume here. Yeah, the volume slowed right down too. It's half of what it used to be. Oh, just hang on. I think there was just a glitch. Just hang on a second here. I'm just going to hit the refresh button here. Yeah, it slowed. Oh, maybe not. No, we're at the same pace. It was just a glitch on Webull. Yeah, we're at the same pace. Actually, that's why we're going back up. Oh, the hedges are done. So done. They're stuck. They're screwed. Yeah, it does, Jason. Yeah, it does. We're going up back up. So something happened. Somebody dumped something on the market. Remember I said that we'll just snap it. We'll just buy it back up. Their stock is too hot right now. It just takes a little bit. Like, yeah, we're almost up to 6. We're at 6.5% right now. I was gonna go through other stocks, guys, but there's no sense in it. The whole market's GME good. GME went up a bit for the GME guys. It's at 166.77. We're at 1.73 on GME. GameStop. Cost is the other only green one, is at $18.35. 1.33 in the green, and everything else is red. Oh, BlackBerry, no, correction, BB, ticker symbol BB, BlackBerry is at $12.35, 1.40 in the green. That's something I'm going to buy lots of, is BlackBerry when this squeezes, for sure. BlackBerry is way undersold, right, or underpriced now. Right, okay, well, okay. Will Billet is in both Citadel and Joe Biden bought a China on the dark pool, and turned out George W. Bush is sons of Buddha and Christ Lovechild. Whoa, I gotta read that again. Wow, that was a good one. DM, okay. Webull is owned by Citadel, and Joe Biden bought China on the black pools. Yeah, Webull is I don't support them. Okay, I just use their stock screener because it's very well laid out. I've said that multiple times. Wow, that's crazy. Right, I think another Fool channel. Jackson Hunter was expected to perform doing his rap music. Jackson Hunter is the worst rap singer I've ever heard, and he used to post Matt Parton links confirm. I never heard, and he used to post Matt Parton links com. I don't mind Jackson Hunter. I haven't heard him sing though. I haven't. He's all for the amount of creators out there, he's all right. Everybody has their downslope. I have my downfall too, right? There's a lot of people that think, hey, well, whatever, right, about me. I don't really know. I haven't listened to his music at all, guys. I haven't. I'll go listen to it and get back to you on that for sure. I did hear that he does meditation and stuff like that, live stream. I would, if it was me, I would concentrate on stocks. Like, I don't think people come on there to do meditation and listen to music. You shouldn't mix the two together. That's something I would say about it, right? If you're doing stocks, people want to be on there to do stocks. Unless, like me, our channel is split into two. We do my life, which is my Cameron Simpson's life. I walk around and show you day-to-day stuff I bought on the stock market, like how I made money, what I bought, what I purchased, smart things in life, how to invest money. It's an investing channel. But I'll take you guys out quadding or out fishing. Remember you guys had videos of me fishing and out in the wilderness and stuff like that. It's part of trading. You got to put yourself into a zen. You got to be a happy person when you're trading. If you're angry and bitter and you're on the market trading, it's going to reflect on your market trading skills. Okay. Let's read some questions here. Yes. I now have over 1,000 shares. My wife just found out that we've been using our same account to buy the shares. She found out, and now she is upset. She's threatened to What? Are you serious, buddy? Is she threatening? Yeah, dude. Yeah, man. I know. Well, my wife didn't want to divorce me, but yeah, she's pissed. She was pissed. She still questions it because my shares were worth at the one time $160,000 one day, and I showed her. I was like, she goes, "Holy crap!" She goes, "Okay, well, when are you gonna? That's cashed out, right?" And I said, "Well, the market's closed." She goes, "What? You didn't cash that out?" And then the next day it went down, right, a little bit. And she goes, well, asked me, like, woke up in the morning, "Well, did you cash the shares out? Like, let's. She already had plans for it." I'm like, "No," and she's like, "What?" Oh yeah, she was pissed. And then I just told her, I said, "Hey, man, this is what I do. This is my gig. You do your thing, I do my thing. The house is paid. I did all the bills. The house paid off. I do that stuff. You have a good life, okay?" I said, this is a play, and this is going to work out. And today she just shakes her head at me. But she's very understanding because she has anything in the world she wants, right? And I make sure that happens. She comes first in my eyes. She comes first, and then the kids. And they're they're her kids. They're step kids, right? And it's just the way, because I don't actually have kids. They're just step kids, right? I never wanted kids. And when I met her, if she had kids that were young, there wouldn't be an us, right? I just don't care for kids. Or else I would have had kids. I'm too, at that age when I was younger, I was too irresponsible. Like, I was working full time. Always been a worker, like go. I just didn't have time for kids. And I'm smart enough to know that to mess a little kid's head up like that by never being around them, being vacant from their lives, I went through that. So I didn't want to repeat that generational default that my parents or my father did to me. So that's why I don't have kids. I have stepkids, and they're frigging awesome. My stepsons, who got me in the AMC, right? If I sold AHA as, what is that? What do you mean by that, Thang? What do you mean by that? I was just playing around, brother. A bit of Tuesday morning humor for you. No, not a problem, brother. Not a problem. No, I don't mind joking around. There, we just did it again, guys. So that was, Andy, that was it. That's friggin' well was. Somebody dumped a bunch of shares on the market, and they just had to take 15 minutes for them to buy them back up. And look at this. We were back at the same level, guys. We had some pullback. But no, we're on our way back up, guys. This stock's hot today. This definitely hot today. Like, look at that volume's just clicking. It's just going tick, tick. Fractions of millions of hundreds of thousands. It's clicking by the second. 100 grand, 100 grand, 100 grand. We're running 49 million already. No, DM, I don't mind the humor and stuff on here at all. That's what makes the channel, right? As long as, I'm never saying you did this, as long as nobody's feelings, but like, the OG wolves here on the channel know how I feel about certain people, and on here, and in the past I used to be more aggressive towards people, but it is what it is, right? It is what it is. I'm just more laid back, right? Just people don't forget. When you screw somebody over, people don't forget. Oh, I know he was joking. I'm new to the channel. Yeah, Canadian. I'm new to the channel. You got a bit of an accent. Yeah, eh? Yeah. Yeah, Canadian, man. Born and raised. Born and raised. Just watch. Sorry, guys. I'm not ignoring you. I'm just watching this ticker, this candle action here. I'm just trying to read the candle to see what we got here. Yeah, we're not getting any ladder attack shit going on. That's what I was just looking for that levitation where it goes like this and it drops in segments. That's a ladder attack. That's frequency trading, high frequency trading, and it's not doing it. These are normal pullbacks. Well, it's my cousin's birthday today. I just got a message from Facebook. Shit. I better phone him. What the hell's going on here? Fucking bullshit. Just give me a second here, guys. I'm just going to check something out here. I'm not leaving anywhere. I'm just going to have to go to a different screen here in case you guys were wondering what. Charlie, what's up, newbie? Is it too late to start? To start what, my friend? Like, what are you talking about? Is it too late to start? Like AMC? To buy AMC, it's never too late. As long as you got the money. It's pretty expensive right now. But like I said, it is what it is. There's people with like 10 shares on here, 5 shares. And it is what it is, right? We don't discriminate here about anything like that. Right? And you don't need to have shares or anything. This is strictly a stock channel and a family. We're a family, Charlie. Welcome to the family. If you have no shares and you want to come here and just learn on stuff, welcome. Right? You don't need to own shares or anything to be on this channel at all. And to even come on here and chat and ask questions. That's what we're here for, right? Can you please take out your gain without... Can you take out your gain without having to sell shares? No, you need to... You have to gain. Like, say if you bought $10,000 of shares and it's at 15 right now, you're saying to take that $5,000 out. Well, yeah, you got to sell some shares to average. That's called averaging down, right? You're taking your money out to par. You would have to sell. You'd be selling. Yeah. You'd have to. That's why I'm having the three tier rule that I'm using is that 188 shares that I'm selling. That's my that's to gain back and come back with a little bit of money, and then I sit for the push for the rest. Yeah, not a problem, Charlie. Not a problem. Yeah, dude. And I can't give advice on that, but usually you buy in a dip. Okay. If you're new to this, I don't know how many dips we're gonna have, and I can't predict that, and legally I can't tell you like, oh, hey, hold, it's gonna dip in a couple days. I can't do that stuff, right? And I don't know what if it goes down tomorrow $5. I don't. Nobody knows. This is probably one of the worst stocks. You can't predict it. All the indicators are off the table with this stock. That's why I don't use any of these built-in indicators like these pivot points and stuff like this. Look at it all. It means nothing. It's garbage. Look at all these resistance lines. They mean nothing. I got my own resistance lines because I've been doing this for years, Charlie. So I go bloop, garbage. I put my own. I make my own because I've been watching this stock since December, January, right? December is when I first started watching it, and then I actually invested in it, and then things went crazy from there on. Not a problem, Charlie. You flew to Edmonton, then drove to Alaska. Oh, that would be a fun trip, man. I've never been to Alaska. I want to go there. Well, to the border. I can't actually go to Alaska, but the Yukon. I'm going to go up there and do some gold panning. For sure. I love gold panning and prospecting. I love it, man. It's my passion. Like, all of the books behind me are all on living off the grid. And I'm really good. I can build, like, if you stick me in the bush in Canada, as long as it's not minus 40, I could survive with, like, no food, nothing. You could just drop me off. Like, today, if you were to drop me off in the bush, out of nothing, within 2 weeks, I'd have a frigging house built and everything. With an axe, just an axe, I could end some fishing line with a hook. I could live, go get rabbit. I wouldn't eat them voluntarily, but I could hunt rabbit, fish, squirrels, all that stuff and live. Not that I would love to do it, but I could do it. Okay, sorry, crypto. Did I answer your question? My coworker just asked that and I didn't even answer your question. Oh, can you take out your game? Oh, sorry. Yes, I did answer it. Sorry, buddy. I didn't see you scores. I did it because I answer everything I try to. Not a problem. So yeah, but I could have a shelter built, all that stuff, man. I'm really good at that stuff, right? I can build snares, traps, everything. So I educate myself on that. That's my passion. No, I wouldn't want to do it. I've been too injured over my life to do it. I could do it in an emergency though. Not a problem. I'm very confident I could live probably the rest of my life in the bush, right? With just an axe and a couple of basic tools. Winter, you couldn't stick me in the middle of winter in the bush up here, but if you put me from the summer preparing for the winter, I could probably do it. Very confident in that. I would, yeah. Okay, here we go. We're getting a bit of a tailwind here. Okay. Alone? Yes, I have seen yeah. And that was in Alaska, wasn't it? Alone, yeah, that's a good show. It's a beautiful show. That old guy, Carnegie, I think his last name is. He's dead now. His family actually produced that book after he died, and there's a movie on it now. NBC or PSBC. His family is out of Washington, I think, or somewhere down in the state, or was it California? Yeah, Carnegie, I think his last name was. It's almost time for me to reload on coffee. I'm going to have to go to the coffee machine. Allison, are you still on here? Calling for Allison. One love, man. It's all good. Crypto, where are you from, bro? The reason I'm just asking, I'm just curious. And Charlie, whereabouts are you? Are you in Canada or are you in the States? I'm just curious because new people on. All right. I'm just gonna see if I have that Weeble. I'm just gonna see if I have that Weeble thing. I mean, not Weeble. Duh. Oh, I do have WhatsApp. It's loading right now. I do have it on my computer. Okay. Yeah, there is. Oh man, the best salmon. Oh, yeah, that's true. You're right, my friend. Good book, Charlie, about reference book about candlesticks. Go into my channel. You've already subbed to the channel, right, my friend? I'm assuming you have. Sub to the channel, because if you don't sub, then it's harder to find the channel sometimes. But if you have a sub, you just hit my name. It'll take you right there. Go into playlists. Look under candle chart reading. There's 6 videos on there that I've done personally myself. It'll give you an understanding about candle charts. It explains the history of candle charts and everything. Ontario. Yeah, let's do a roll call here. Where's everybody from? And there you go, Charlie. And a good book for Candle Church. Go through those videos first and get back to me, and I'll discuss stuff on you, because that's I pulled those out of books, and it's very educational. It'll give you more of a gist. It's just very basic. Do that first, or else, because most of the books won't make any sense to you if you're brand new. Just let me explain some stuff to you, and then when you jump into books, you go, oh, that's what he's talking about. And it's easier to obtain the knowledge then. Okay, my friend? And then I will find some books for you that you can just get for free off of Tinder. Or not Tinder, Amazon. What's that? Kindle. Tinder, a dating app. No. Off of, if you have Amazon Prime, you can download that for free. Long Beach, California, Oregon. Ontario. Oh, okay. Right on, Charlie. La Cruz, Mexico. Frank. Oh, yeah. Right on, Mexico. Quebec here. Right on. Welcome from Quebec. Haiti, and moved to Jamaica in my teens. Oh, cool. Florida. So, Indiana. Wow. In Maine. Oh. Gloria, Maine. Best lobster in the world. I've been to Maine when I was allowed to go to the States. I had a girlfriend that lived in Maine. I flew down there a couple times a month to see her. She played for the state of Maine, NCAA women's hockey for the university. Moon Unit! You were hiding in the backs. Good to see you, brother. Okay, to Michigan, Southern Indiana. Sac phase. I don't. California. Sturgis. Oh yeah, that's right. Okay, yeah, that's right. You told me that from Germany. Oh, Germany? Oh wow, man, you're the first one from Germany. I think that's come on our channel. Cool. Welcome, everybody. This is awesome. Everybody, welcome. This is all good. I've seen some names that. GA, Georgia, the mountains. Oh, cool. Well, thanks guys for the roll call and the names there. Awesome, cool. Wow, that's neat. That's neat. I like to see that, man. I like to meet people from over there. See, that's one thing I would, yeah. Oh, thanks, Moon Unit. Oh, thanks. Yeah, thanks. Oh, wow. I didn't even look at the thumbs up down on the thing. Oh man, thanks for the 37 thumbs up already on the bar down on the bottom. Shit, I didn't even look this morning. Usually I am. Yeah, because when you guys watch my videos and stuff, if you hit the thumbs up every time, what it does is it boosts the video up on the ratings on YouTube. And thank you, everybody. Right on. Tendos. Morning, brother. Good morning. How you? Thanks for coming back, man. I remember you, bro. Brad, BC. Brad, whereabouts in BC are you from, man? I'm from actually Mission. Since you're in BC, you'll know where Mission is. I usually say Vancouver because people all around the world won't know where Mission is, right? Right on. Okay, we got this. Okay, stay strong, bro. We do have this. A country boy can survive. Yeah. And we're going to sneak Andy across the border here to come hang out in Canada. He can come live at my house. I got an extra room here and everything. Alberta. Cool. Right on. We got a good group of people. Louisiana. Ken. Yes, we got a good group of people here today. Yeah, thanks. I am retired in Houston. Cool. Right on, Charlie. Wow. Yeah, this channel's got a substantial amount of people in the last couple of weeks going across the river from you. I know exactly where you're talking. You're in, yeah, you'll be in across the river from me. Then you would be in Abbotsford or Langley, Aldergrove, or Surrey. Depends on which area. Right on. Cool. Yeah, you don't have to put your exact location, my friend. Langley. Sweet. Well, hey, we're going to have to go out for a coffee or something there, Brad. one day. If you're up to it. DM, you are alive. Yeah. Okay. Dang, what's up? Oh, hey. If somebody have 1,000 shares of AM, yeah. Within 200,000, how much would that it could after the squeeze? Laugh out loud. If you hint, it'll buy. Okay. If you hit it, I'll buy dinner. Kim, right on. Word for Texas. Oh, that's cool, man. That's cool. Meet up sometime. Yeah, for sure, Brad. I'm up to that. For sure. I'm always up to that, man. Anybody, yeah, for sure. Moved from Houston. Cool. That's awesome, man. Houston, Texas. That's well known all around the world, Houston, Texas. Even I know where that is. And I'm a Canuck. Okay. Okay, I'm trying to decipher what you said. All right, if someone has 1,000 shares of AMC, okay. I don't understand what you're saying, my friend. Depends on what you sold it at. I don't understand what you're saying. Sorry, bro. Okay. Yeah, Langley has some of the best car shows in the world, man. Where Brad's from? Oh, man, in the summertime? Oh, yeah. Moses Lake, Washington, home of the largest most bass. Oh, wow. Oh, I'd love to come. Oh, man. Do you have any material for the day trading? No, I don't do day trading. I'm sorry, my friend. I don't do swing trading or day trader or options or puts on the channel. No, you guys, some of the people do on here. I don't know. Does anybody do that stuff? Does anybody have any material? I don't put that stuff on. Ooh, look at this pushback we had. It is what it is. Like I said, I don't care as long as we stay in the green today. It's all good, guys. We'll do all right. If we can keep on just staying in the green a couple days, the green's just for self-satisfaction. Really, I hate to say it, but these prices mean nothing when the squeeze happens, okay? Because it's going to go so high that it doesn't really matter what the price is right now. It's just for self-gratification and mental issues. It's nice to see green every day because or else you get that happening, right? Okay, so do you have any material? Okay, I read that for day trading. Guys, do you have any, do you know of any channels or anything like that or any material that our friend here can look up for any of that stuff for day trading, which is swing trading, right? What are the chances of all this institutional holding? I don't know. Okay, I don't know. What are the chances of all the institutional holding? AMC. Well, they don't like Citadel. Nobody likes Citadel. Same as we don't, they don't. You know, they're setting Citadel up to get slammed. If you see my last video there. What they're doing is Citadel doesn't have no money compared to all these like Vanguard, BlackRock. All those companies have got trillions and trillions and trillions of dollars, okay? Citadel is a little pea in the pod compared to them. So what they've done is they've set Citadel up to hang themselves, okay? Straight up, okay? So Citadel's the fall guy. They've screwed themselves. And they were very cocky and they've screwed a lot of people in different countries. Like I said, they're not allowed in China to trade. They got banned in 2015. For doing the same shit they're doing to AMC over there. The Chinese don't put up with that shit when like that. They're very serious with stuff like that. You get yourself killed over there for that shit. What's the target price is post squeeze? Oh, DM is asking. He's asking what's your target price is posted post squeeze. My target price I really can't discuss that, my friend. That's one of those things I can't talk about. It's going to be in the multiple thousands. I don't know. It's you guys know, like you guys watch other channels and stuff. If I was in the States, I can talk more about this. It's my government up here, guys. I just can't. I'm sorry for that. I know some people got mad in comments and you can tell it. You're just not holding back. No, man. And these people, I'm like, I don't know you. And for one thing, I'm not talking about you guys. And why would I throw my life away just for a stupid question, right? I'm not talking about anything that you guys say. I'm just trying to, our government, they're fucking retards up here. Sorry, but they are. And I think you guys already know that about the Canadian government. Like, Trudeau, look at him, he's a little faggot. Nothing against fags. I'm just saying he's one. Yeah, I can't see it going up. That's pretty high numbers there. I can say that. Then when you say 200, 500,000 a share, I really can't see it going. I'm not being negative. If it does, fuck, wow. But there's breakers and stuff set. But that would be the highest stock ever in history. And if you crunch the numbers, your calculator doesn't go that high. I've done that on the channels. We've done actually full demos of that. You put that number in there and times it by how many shares. If you have 1,000 shares, then times it by how many people have shares. The calculator goes error. So there's not enough money in the world to pay everybody. So that it doesn't make sense. So that's all I'm gonna say on that one. One of the guys just put down a number right there. Proud? I like that number. Okay, that's more reasonable. There you guys go. I can't really say a number, but I can agree with somebody, right? That number right there, I like that number for sure, and higher, right? But that's about the place it's gonna around, right? That's all I can say, man. So yeah, anyways, and I could be wrong. Like I'm just like. We do. Like I said, that's up to you guys. But as somebody's asking, is it time to buy shares? That's up to you. But we are in a dip right now. We're not in a red dip, but we're on a down. We're on a down run in it, so it could recover. Lou is the wizard, the wizard. Lou can talk about, but he had his pullback too. I think bigger than Volkswagen. Oh yeah, Moon. You know that. Oh fuck. Put 1,000 on that, man. Times it by 100,000. By 100, I should say, at least. You like those numbers, Ryan? Yeah. See, that's just realistic, and that will still make us millionaires, man. It will be guaranteed higher than yeah, no, it'll be bigger than Volkswagen. There's probably about 300, or there's probably like 2 to 3 billion more people than Volkswagen. Okay, there's kind of no comparison. That chart on the beginning of my channel was for you guys to get prepared for that. We're gonna be jumping in $500 increments. Okay, like boom, boom, boom. It's gonna be like crazy. Maybe even $1,000 pushes, $800 pushes, right? That's why you gotta be paying what the fucking you're doing. That's why I put a live stream up and why we can communicate back and forth. My hands are bound, but you guys can go to town and we will have a way to communicate. I will be doing my shares live sale. Okay? And even if I sell all my shares, I'm still gonna put the broadcast up there. I'm not gonna shut the stream down for you guys, right? Even if I get out at a different time. And it is what it is. And the one thing I will not put up with on here is people putting people down when they sell. It doesn't matter when somebody sells, okay? I don't care. I'm not going to anybody that puts people down there, we blocked immediately from the channel. I'm not talking about you guys, but I'll be putting a video out on that when we have the squeeze. I'll be putting a separate video out. Like if you have a chance to unsub now, because we will not be putting people down or any negative in stuff on that. When the time comes, I'll be putting a video out on that. It's just that I don't want people to be under stress. They're already under enough stress dealing with this squeeze. When it's actually in the squeeze, there's going to be a very stressful time. People are going to be patients are going to be very thin. They got to pay attention. You have to be in the right frame of mind. And that's what we're here for. That's what the channel was built for. After the squeeze, this is still a trading channel, right? I'm pretty sure we're going to lose a lot of people, but because a lot of people are just going to get out of the market, which is fine, right? I'm not. I'm diving in twice as deep, right? But I'm also doing it in a very educational and smart way, right? I'm not going to be jumping into these plays like this. Yeah, you guys hang in there. I'd like to take, yeah, there you go. Yeah, see, DM, yeah, you got it, see? See, you guys got some good numbers. You guys are thinking. See, look at you guys already know what your numbers. You're already putting the numbers out there, my friends, and those are all good. You guys are fucking using your heads. You guys are thinking. Good, I got your brains going. That's what I wanted to be prepared, and I'm glad I did this channel. This is what makes me happy. You guys are using your. Lewis back talking about AMC. Good. He is. It's not that he didn't. He's on parole, guys. Like, you can't talk about suit, and he's fuck yeah. Like, I'm surprised he's even doing YouTube and shit. That's why he's moving over to Rumble. I've already set up on Rumble. I already have our account sitting there. I'm only using JP. Yeah, exactly. So the thing is Rumble. I'm already set up there. We already got our traders account, and you guys already told you can go there and sub. That is our secondary channel. I will not be putting information on there unless we get shut down on YouTube or I run into problems on YouTube. But we can set everything. We can transfer the squeeze over there. We can do it all there. It's just a little slow for doing uploads and streaming on. Okay. So that's why I'm here. Okay. Sorry, JC, CJ. Sorry, I got it. Whoa, I'm missing stuff here. Okay. 1,500 to 2,500 shares somewhere around September 18th. NP. N up. Okay. I was reading your comment. I didn't want to miss you, bro. Yes. Rumble. Yep. I did that before him, and I think he caught on to that. He's thinking, that Cameron CS Trades just did an awesome move there. Because he watches our channel. For sure he does. Okay? Because I know he does. Okay? Same as I watch his. So, I was the one that started the Rumble thing, right? Yeah, that's right, Dominic. Yeah, he does. But it's just because he has a lot on his plate, and the guy's not stupid, okay? I know back like 6 months ago, a lot of people didn't like him, and then all of a sudden his subs doubled, right? It's because people he's street, he's hardcore, he's either you think he's telling the truth or you think he's full of shit, okay? But you gotta, if you've never been on the street and you don't know that type of person, you'd have to watch a couple of videos to warm up to it. It's a different wavelength. I used to be like that. I'm more kicked back now in my old age. As some people can tell that have been around the block, they're like, wow, that guy, you know when you know, okay? Like Andy, I know, he knows, I know, he knows, you know what I mean? That's why, yeah, it's all good. If you catch the play, you catch the play, right? Okay. But yeah, guys, if you want to do that, get your Rumble account set up all now is probably a smart idea. That is just a secondary. So a total will have 3 channels, okay? I know it's a lot of headache here. Like, what the hell is this guy doing? It's called a foolproof plan, okay? So we got our main channel right here. Then we got our backup squeeze channel, CS Trades Live. You just have to push that in and you can find it, or you can go back and get the streaming keys and all that stuff, or the channel ID on the other videos. I can't do it while I'm on chat right now. And that's just for the squeeze and all that stuff. If we get booted off here, for some reason the channel gets shut down. And I'm not saying it is, because I've never been contacted or anything like that. Well, automatically we're already hooked up on Rumble. It's just a complete transformation within seconds. Okay, and you guys, if you have my Twitter account, all that stuff, then you're gonna always find me, right? I'm just setting you guys up so you can always find me. Right? Don't worry, I'm around. I'm not going anywhere, guys. Any thoughts on Workhorse? It's shorted heavily. I know it is really shorted, but there's no action on there right now. Okay, I'll look it up right now. Let's just drive in here before, because I just said there's no action on there, and I gotta have a look before I go any further on the comments. because I was looking at it the other day, but things could have changed. Yeah, same. Okay, so Workhorse is a good stock. It is definitely a good stock. Okay, I just, the company in general, I like the company. Yeah, there's a... Yeah, Shammer, yeah. Okay, here, I just want to make... Okay, any thoughts on Workhorse? It's shorted heavy. Had a good run a couple months ago. Yeah, it did. It made a lot of people hundreds of thousands of dollars if you were in on it, and has been dumping ever since. Yeah. See, that's the thing. I just wanted to... I feel like the... I don't know about protects. They're all friends, but I don't know. Citadel will be the first one to get roasted out of them. Like I said, Citadel has billions, the others have trillions, okay? But they're all in the same playground, for sure. They will all work together. They're all inter-round, yeah, but I'm just saying that when it comes down to the end of the game, Citadel is the scapegoat. They're gonna... The trillionaires are not going to get squashed. It'll be the Citadel. Citadel and what's the other one? There's another one there. I can't think of it. Duh, stupid. Robinhood. Robinhood's gonna go squash too. Like there, it's just, it is what it is, right? But any of you guys got a Robinhood? They're all insured your shares, just so you guys know. Just don't stress out on it. They're part of the system. They are part of the system. Dump Workhouse when they didn't get a contract. Okay. I didn't know anything about the contracts and stuff.
I canceled my appointment. I feel like shit today. I can't even lift my arm past here.
Okay. 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 Don't use names that YouTube can be flying. Okay. I read that. Call it purple flying money. See, as we're in are both from New Mexico. It's a state, the southern tip of the United States. He told me to tell you howdy. Oh, right on. Thanks, man. Awesome. Not a problem. It's all good. Not a problem. Thanks, Frank. Thanks, brother. All we got is U.S. apes. Ups contract. Oh, okay. Okay. They're in a lawsuit over right now. Well, that would have something to do with that. Oh, for sure. That's like a nail in the coffin. Yeah, guys, I would watch myself on this Workhorse thing. I didn't know about that. Oh, shit. Okay, thanks, DM. Good DD on that. Not a problem, Frank. Mexico, yeah. It's all good. It's all good, man. Out of 2,000, I don't even know how this up. It's hard to keep track of everybody, man. That's a lot of people. You guys try doing it. It's hard work. It's all hard work, but I don't mind. New Mexico is totally different than Mexico. I know that. Okay, so I'm going to go back on to AMC. Guys, I'm going to have to go grab a coffee here. I'm out. My fuel. I ran out of fuel, see? So, hang out, you guys. Yeah, not a problem. Okay. No, I know. I thought, Frank, I thought you were from Mexico. I was like, we're coming to stay at your house. No, I'm just joking. I'm just saying that it'd be, if you were from Mexico, you could help line up everything for the Wolf Fest. I'm just joking. I'm being stupid. Okay, guys, you guys chat. Get to know each other on there. I'm gonna be back in like 45 seconds. What would you be tonight on Max? What would be your thoughts on Max Max on AMC in the next month. I don't know. I that's like crystal ball shit, man. I have no idea. I go day by day just like you guys. All I can do is read the candles within 10 minutes apart. I know if it's going to be a buy or sell signal. I do the same thing and I've been doing this for a long time, guys, and this is not normal trading. All the indicators like your MA and EMA lines that I have up on the screen, those are off the table. Every experienced seasoned trader knows that this is not a normal stock. Like you can't just, sorry, I'll put this back up on the screen so you guys can see it on there. Can you guys see that? Yeah, so I don't know, man. You guys don't, hey, the guy that said holding 10 shares, small AA. It's all good, my friend. You don't have to own any shares to be on this channel. This channel was originally built for education, for people getting into the stock market. It's all good. It's all good. Just educate yourself and just hang out with us. It's all good. Don't go and yeah, that's, I did a video on that actually about people because I was getting people messaging me and saying, I only have 2 or 3 shares and all these people got hundreds to thousands of shares and I'm all depressed and I should have bought back. And you can't look at things like that. Even if on this play you make yourself some money to jump in and buy more stocks, you can still flip it and make yourself a good life, right? How much was Volkswagen? It was in the 1500s, I think. 1200 to 1500, I think it went up to in its peak. If you want to watch the video, I got it's right on the front page of my channel. You can log right into it. Yeah, no, you're all new at this. Good place to get started, man. You don't want to get started into a big channel where you can't talk to people on the chat bar. And you just got to watch who you talk to. Our rules are DD, due diligence. Whatever I say, Google it. Fact check me, okay? I know I'm right on 99% of the stuff, but just watch who you talk to. The stock market is full of creeps. When I say creeps, people will rip you off. All like fool money fool and all that stuff. Do not listen to those. Those are hedge funds on those apps on your phone. Oh, don't buy AMC. It's dead. Buy this, buy that. It's because those guys want you to buy their stocks so the price goes up and they make money. It's you got to watch it, okay? That's all I got to say. I'm going to get some coffee. I'll see you guys in a minute. You guys chat. I'll be back like in a minute. Okay, sorry, man. I'm still online. Or we can if you want. Ugh. Okay. Okay, I'll jump back on your messages here, my friends. Okay. Oh. Good morning. Okay, new to all this. Shamram, it's a very nice place. The highest chance of holding for AMC squeeze. Oregon Mountain. Oh yeah, it's nice there, Frank. Oh, beautiful, beautiful stuff. That's what it's like here, the mountains. Like, if I wish I could grab my webcam, put it out my window. I live on the foothills. It looks nice here. And plus where Oregon is too. It's beautiful. Okay, Manjeet. Will you sell in increments going up or down? Is that towards me, Manjit? Is that towards me or is that towards somebody else on the channel? That question. I'm going to sell in 3 different increments. Yes, that's for me. If that's what you're asking, up or coming down. Well, it depends. The first one is a collection of my money to get all my money back and that. And the second one will be either to the push. I might even put it in 2 segments instead of 3. That depends. I'll be on the fly. As soon as I get my money back and I got enough money to reinvest, that's what it is, a recovery of shares. So once I pay back the shares that I initially took my earnings out of to buy, that's repay, but plus enough to a little bit extra, right? Just a little bit extra, nothing to like crazy, and I know I have to pay taxes on that, right? So then the rest is for the push. Just drive it when it drives right up to the moon, right? And then I'm trying to hit it before the downslope, but if you can, it's gonna be really hard, guys. Like, but yes, I'm gonna have it. Okay. Okay. So let's. Does that make sense? If that question was for me, are you under the same name on Rumble? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. It's all together though. It's all together. CS Trades 101 all together though. You can't put a space like on YouTube. Go look it up right now, Manjeet, and see if you find it before I get off the air here. I can't find your channel. Oh, you just said that. Share a link? Yeah, I can get the link. Just give me a second, guys. Just give me a second here. I thought I had it on here. Didn't I? I don't have it on here. Okay, give me a second. I'm going to have to go back into archives here into my videos. Just give me a second, guys. Excuse me. Okay, what video was that in? Uploads. I had so many videos now. Holy crap. Workaholic. YouTube taking down my backup channels right here. It says right here. YouTube taking down my backup channels right here. So we'll go into here. Oh, I thought I put the link there. What idiot I am. What the? That doesn't make sense. Oh, right here. Yeah, it's right here. Right on the page. Okay, here's the link for you guys. Okay, I'm coming back over to see you guys now. I don't think it'll let me paste it in here. I'll try. Yeah, it won't let me. It won't let me. It won't let me put it in the chat bar, guys. So, just hang on. You're going to have to go back into my video. So, if you go back into the videos, like I said before, if you go back into, hang on a second. That's weird that it doesn't let me do that. Just hang on a second here. Something's not making sense. Just give me a second, guys. That doesn't make sense. Okay. Okay. Open link in YouTube. No, I don't want to do that. Copy link in new. Open link in new window. Save link. Copy link address. We'll try it again. It just YouTube's blocking it and making it so I can't put it in there. Yeah, they're doing the same thing. Yeah. YouTube doesn't want me to have that link in there. So what you're going to have to do is I'm going to put it in the comments. Is there a way I can go in the comments right now? No, there isn't. So what you're going to have to do is go back into the video. So the video is only 4 videos down. You're just going to have to go back into my channel and you're under comments, and the video is called Another YouTuber Taken Down. And go into the comments down there. It's right on the pinned. It says, here's link. And into Rumble. There you go, Manjit. There you go. That's all I can do for you. I can't put stuff in the chat bar while I'm on it. It won't let me put it in. There's a block on it. Yes. Shamran got it. Yep, that's right. Yeah, Shamran's already... they're already on there. Okay. Okay, I'll get back into your... Good question, though. Okay. Let's get back into the hopefully very soon. Okay, I'll get back into your questions here. Sorry, guys. Vocals is on the way compared to the damn seams. Real quick is when, Janet? Real question is when? Yeah, hopefully very soon. I'm not fucking into this. Can't wait. Yeah, no doubt, can't wait. But guys, we've been in the January, right? And it doesn't... Like I said, you can't make this kind of money. It would take you 20, 30 years to make, and we're doing it in less than a year. It's pretty good. Even if it takes longer, I'm going to wait. It doesn't cost me anything, right? It is what it is. But things are going in our favor. DM, that's exactly what I was getting at. Yes, you nailed it. You nailed it. You nailed it, my friend. You nailed it, brother. Joe Cook. Welcome, Joe. I haven't seen you on here before. Are you new to the channel, my friend, or just I haven't seen? We haven't chatted before, have we? Or am I losing my friggin' mind again? Oh, okay, Joe. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, this is a fucking who knows. Ha. Okay. For those weekends, let me reassure you that seems to have lost her husband's company. She is the 3rd most powerful woman in the United States. Need Trump to join it. Yeah. Not sure. Not sure. Just found you. Not sure. Just found you. Oh, okay. 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 I was gonna say welcome for subbing to the channel. I don't think we have talked before, but welcome to the channel, my friend. The channel where shit gets real. Oh man. Oh, I'm just dying from pain today, man. Damn. Fucking shoulder. I can barely even hold it up on this table. So, okay. What am I... Oh, what the hell do I keep on doing that for? Okay, AMC is at 36. Let's blow this up. What the hell's going on here? Get over here. Blow this up so you can actually see the screen. Sorry about that, guys. What the hell is going on there? Not sure. Just okay. Look at SPY going down. SPY. I spy with my little eye. Oop. SPY. Why isn't it coming up? What's the ticker symbol? SPY. I thought it was. Right here. Yeah, it's in the SP 500. Oh, wow. Holy shit. Yeah, it's going down a little bit. Vape. It's a vape. It's a vape. And I'm supposed to be quitting. Don't worry. I'm working on it. I'm working on it, guys. I'm working on it. Okay. Why are we down? Down, down, down. Why are we down? That was my question for you, Kim. There was a big sell-off today. This corrupt politicians do not lose. That's true. Remember that the solar companies went, but it was present. Somebody posted we killing on that before it was zero holdings and strong apes. Yeah, it's true. Look at those perfect candles going down. Yeah, yeah. Now we got an upswing here. Yeah, and we're early in the day too, guys. 37, or was it 9:12 Pacific Standard Time? Still early. Yeah, because it doesn't matter when things start happening, it doesn't matter what the price is. It'll just take off from there and go. It'll just go. But the self-gratification of looking at your bank account and your shares, it's nice to see it go up every day instead of down. I remember when it was 50 some odd days no, it wasn't that much. It was 40, no, it was 50 days straight. 50 days straight of red. Or 40 days straight of red. You want to talk about depressed? This is nothing. This is nothing. I've been in this since the beginning. This is nothing right now. We're seeing green days. Try going through all red days for 2 months. Red day, red day, red day, red day. You want to talk about being fucking depressed? Oh, Bentsy's big on AMC. Before that, Nancy is big on... Oh, okay. Ah. These are DM. Up. They show that there are shorts against the large and small cap companies in the market. Oh, okay. I see. I see. Wow, SNDL is getting tanked on. Okay, any ideas on hyperinflation starts? Hopefully after the squeeze so we can prep. Yeah, no kidding. No kidding. No kidding. Okay, guys, I'm just going to go check the Twitter account to see if we got any new news, breaking news that we can blast out here for you guys. And like we always do on the channel. Oh, Ortex just sent me a message. Ortex? I don't use them. Why the hell are you sending me a message? Okay, Wolves of Wall Street sent me a message. What the hell? Okay, I guess Wolves of Wall Street sent me a message. All things considered, AMC is closing at $35.69, up 6.63% is a pretty amazing thing to see. Incredibly humble, part of the community of... This is a different Wolves of Wall Street then. Oh, damn. Oh, he's trying to... I don't know. It's not the same Wolves of Wall Street you guys are thinking of. Some knockoff. Dominique. The same Dominique is on here. Hey, buddy, I'm just reading your message. Oh, thanks for the likes. Okay, I was just reading some messages here. Let's go into here and see what else is happening. Okie dokie. Nothing. Oh, shit. Wow. There's a lot of knockoffs, man. People calling them Elton Musk and Wolves of Wall Street, Joe Kramer. Why would you put your name under somebody else's? And there's thousands of people that sub to this shit. Wow. I don't understand. There's no news of Gary Getzler. I believe that the Chinese-based companies that have raised capital from American investors should disclose more information on needs. Wow, Gary Getzler's going off on the U.S. or the Chinese investors right now. Kathy Wood. Yeah, I don't know. What do you guys think of Kathy Wood? Tell me what you think. When they short AMC, does it? Yes, it makes the price go down. Yes, it does. It does. But when the shorts have to cover, that drives the price up. That's called a short squeeze. That's what they're doing. When they short a stock, they're trying to bankrupt it. They're trying to screw the stock. They're trying to fold the company so that they can buy it. Or that's one of the alternatives. Or just to capitalize on it. Okay? That's what happened with GME. That's what they tried doing. They were trying to bankrupt the company so they could buy it. Okay? Robinhood. That's what they do. They buy these it was a brick and mortar company, and they're trying to bankrupt it because it had land that was worth money. And if they can bankrupt it, they'll buy it cheap, sell it, reflip it, open their name, put their own company name on it, not under a GameStop, but whatever company they can use. That property is worth money. Those brick and mortar companies, anything can be put in there, right? It's all a mind screw. Yeah, I think AMC and GME is on still the algorithm. Same one. They do the same shit. I think they are. They're pretty much the same people own them. The same head. They're shorted by the same people. Whoops. Sorry, guys. Let's have a look. What's it doing today? Yeah, they're pretty close. They used to be a little bit more in sync than they are now. They would it would almost be like candlestick to candlestick, but they pulled away a bit. But I think not a problem, Ricardo. We're turning. Okay, I'm missing some questions here. Connor, yeah, we're turning a lot of billionaires into. That's true. It is. It is. This is a movement, guys, for sure. And being part of this, like I said, when we make our document, I'm not full of shit here. I'm making one. It's going to be a little bit different than the Mulligan brothers. It's not going to be the same type of document. They are professional film artists, right? They've been doing documentaries for their whole life. Okay? That's what they do. They specialize in that. Ours is going to be a little bit lower budget, of course. We're not doing a GoFundMe. I will not do a GoFundMe and take money off of you guys so I can better myself. I don't. Even they're GoFundMing too for it. I don't believe in that, guys. I don't believe in taking money off my subs. Okay, I don't. If I can't afford to do it, then I can't afford to do it. But we have cool people like Connor, which is on the chat bar right now, that made our intro into our podcast and our end screens. Somebody contributing something like that makes a whole difference. And when he gets to Mexico, payback time. So don't worry, there'll be a lot of people buying him drinks. So anyways, little things like that helps. Oh, and I'll never forget that, right? And I really respect that stuff, right? That's called a solid move. I call it and if you guys don't know what that means, it's like it's a good thing, right? My lingo, my Canadian lingo. and it's well appreciated of me. And that's why if you've seen on the chats when somebody says, "Oh man, I love your screen," I'll say thanks, but I won't take credit for it. I didn't do it. I didn't make it. I would never do that. I put it right on him, right? So maybe he can get business out of it. Who knows, right? But it's his fingerprint on there, not mine. Okay, I like Kathy. She helped me get into Tesla before the split. Okay, Shamron, yeah. Yes, they did short Kim. Yes, they did short Kim, Toys R Us. Yes, they did. They bankrupted it. The same thing. That's exactly, Kim, that is a perfect frigging example. That's 100% exactly what they were trying to do with GME and AMC. They wanted AMC so bad. You know how much property was there? Some of it's rented, right? But there's some that aren't. Those parking lots are frigging huge. They would cut the parking lots up, and they would actually put more brick and mortar companies in there. DM, yes, he did pull a super solid one. Yes, he did. I don't know. Connor? Are you still on here? Ow! Shit! Oh! I don't know if he's still on here. I got a bit of a delay where it delays a bit, just because so we get good video feed because I'm such a long ways away from you guys. So I think there is a 15-second delay. Plus he has to type too. But if he's not on here anyways, it's anytime he comes on here, you guys know who he is. He's one of our legends on the channel, man, for sure. Very looked up to in my eyes. I idolize the guy, man. He is very good at his digital work he does. There he is right there. There's Connor. There's the legend. Hey, Connor, I have a question for you. Do you just do that just because? Or do you do that for, like, work? Because if anybody asks me, can I just point them in your direction? Like, do you do that type of stuff? Well, yeah. Okay, one thing I want to tell you about Matt. I'm not putting him down or anything because I don't do that. I'm not going to say he doesn't want the squeeze to happen. I don't know because I can't. I don't know. I'm not Matt. But he's going to lose over half the people on his channel when this is done. I probably will too. Okay, it's just the way it is. But I'm not worried about that. I'm not worried about that because we're an investing channel. It is what it is, right? I'm not doing it for subs. I never have done this. Of course, when the subs go up, I'm like, wow, that's cool. But it's not going to kill the channel, right? It's a family. We're a family here. It's a different type. He's after it from making money on super. That's his job. That's not my job, right? I just do it to put information out there, and that's it. I shoot the video, and then I answer all my comments, and that's it. Done. Move on to the next thing, right? No, David. No, they own about 20%. We own 80% of the shares, if not higher. Even though they got big chunks of them, no, man, we've gobbled those up. Well, there's a lot of retail investors that own, like, it's all over it. I'd say we own about 85%. It was at about 81, 82. I think it's a little bit higher. What did I miss, Stan? I don't know. Oh, I know what we missed. Stan, I was just asking Connor that built our intro and our end screen on our videos now, and I can't always use them, guys. If I shoot off my phone, I can't put the intro and stuff in there. I don't have the software to do it, so I only can do it on certain videos. Yeah, Joe Cook, yeah, he's just trying to make, it is what it is. He's just trying to make money, right? It's his business. He doesn't work anymore. So I don't know anything really about him. I'm not going to, like you said, I'm not going to slam the guy. I don't, it is what it is. You guys can do your own take on that. Either you like it or you don't pay in it. Yeah, you don't have to pay. Yeah, like exactly what Joe's saying. You don't have to pay him, but he won't talk to you on the he won't talk to you on the chat bar unless you do, right? It is what it is, right? That's his thing. I do my stuff different. Everybody does their stuff different. It is what it is, right? Yeah, that's. But yeah, we are gonna sell shirts and all that stuff on here. But that's up to you guys if you want to buy them. The Wolfpack shirts when they come out, right? I yeah. So that's it is what it is. If you guys want to buy them, you want to buy them. If you don't, you don't. Right? There's no pressure on that stuff. That's all what I'm doing for Christmas presents this year. Is my whole family's getting all that stuff. Right? We'll have coffee cups, everything like that. Hoodies, long sleeves, short sleeve, all that stuff. They're going to be cool shirts. They'll probably be one of the coolest shirts out of all the channels, right? I'm putting a lot of work into it, and I'm paying for it all myself. Nobody else is paying for it. And but super chats, I can't see that happening. I can't. I just can't. For me, I'm speaking for myself. I don't know. I just let's yeah. I don't even want to talk. Yeah, it is what it is. Kim, you're right. You're right. That I know for a fact. But you have to realize his chat bar goes so fast now that you can't even pick up on. You have to stop it to read the comments. And on his end, it's the same, right? So the only when you do pay for so when he pays a super chat, it pops up and it locks on the screen. Okay, that's what the software does on YouTube. If you didn't know that, okay. So I don't know. You do? Okay, well then there you go, man. I will definitely. That's right, Stan. I just said that. Yeah. Yeah. So, Connor, yes, I will definitely, like I said to anybody, okay, I just wanted to know, I wanted to ask you that because, yes, and I'll definitely, yeah, they'll be paying for your service though, of course, right? Like, but yeah, if I run into anybody that ever says anything like that, I know what you did for us for the Wolfpack is a favor. I understand that. But of course there'd be a price tag attached, and that's up to you to discuss. That's nothing to do with me. But it's yes, it won't be free. Yeah, the word free won't even be mentioned. Okay, because that is hard work. I know that. It takes a lot of time, and it wasn't put together just like bam, bam, bam. I know you spent time on that. Okay. Okay, almighty Teddy Zane thinks the highest it'll go is 1,500. I don't know about that one. I don't know Teddy Zane. I've seen a couple of his videos. The only reason why I know Teddy Zane is because of Ape Father and him fighting. I got the YouTube. Somebody sent me the link and said, "Hey, check these fucking idiots out." And I'm like, well, why are he calling them idiots, right? And I don't know anything about. That's exactly what the message said. Check these fucking idiots out. So I'm like, well, what the fuck? Of course I'm going to check it out when he says that. Aw, thanks, brother Connor. Thank you. So, that's the only reason why. And I'm not calling, that was just on the message. I'm not calling them effing idiots. Okay, that was just on there. So I watched the video and I was like, holy crap, these guys I'm surprised they're not kicked off YouTube for like going off and threatening each other like that. I've never seen anything like that before, two creators going off like that. So that's my take on that. I see it going higher than that. Okay, that's all I can say to that because we can't talk numbers, but yeah, that's pretty low. That would be about the Volkswagen squeeze, right? And there's, like I said, there's no comparison the amount of people that own. Like, that was between the government, Porsche, and Volkswagen, the three, okay? 3 people were in on that, and some retail investors. Almighty, new to the, I haven't seen you. Nice to meet you. Welcome to the channel. Thanks for the sub. I like that handle, man. Almighty. That's kind of trippy. Yeah, no, I would take 15 gladly too, but I could yeah, it just there's more on the table, put it out this way. There's more tension on this. Yeah. DM, yes. That would be crazy. I'd pay money to watch that. Oh yeah, for sure. Shamron, for sure. For sure. For sure. Just so you guys know that live feed, there won't be any chat bar hooked up, okay? Because what it'll do is it'll slow down the bandwidth on that computer. Even though it's one of the best computers you can buy on the market, I don't want anything to get involved in that. I don't want somebody to put a virus on it, because if you get doing chats, they can install a virus. Yeah, my money's on Lou too, man. But I'm just telling you guys. So, like, comments will be blocked. Everything's going to be blocked on there, okay? The channel for discussing it, because we have a live feed on here too, is we're going to do all the discussions on here. Okay, guys? Just so you're aware. So, like, if you only sub to that channel and you don't sub to this channel, you're not getting anything, right? All the discussion will be on here. Oh, yeah, Luke would take all of them on. I don't see Eight Father being that strong of a guy. Tyler Wilson, yeah, he's an option trader. Yeah, he's good at what he does, for sure. Yep. Kim, yep. He's all right. I don't mind the guy. He's a single father. He's done pretty good for himself, but he's totally into a different game than we are, right? Totally different type of investor. And he'll tell you that too. He only swing trades options, puts. That's all he does. He even tells you straight up, go to a different channel, which is very, very transparent on that. He'll tell you. He won't waste his time, your time. He'll say the wrong channel for you. Matt, what is that? I don't understand. My what? Matt, what? Oh, you were correcting yourself. Okay, I get it now. My way too many. It's true, Matt. Yeah, for sure. Like, that's what I'm saying. There's too many people involved. The play's huge. The play's huge. But that's right, Big Sal. Yeah, that's what I'm telling you. Remember on the last video I showed all the dots are lined up. There's MTB's roller coaster ride. Yep. That's what we're on right now. Look at the W that just formed right here. That's why we got that push. Okay, that's a bullish sign right here, guys. We're back up to 4.44%. 4.444444. Yeah, hopefully. Oh, thanks, brother. Thank you. No, I know you're not kissing it. It's all good. Dude, I respect the comments, man. It's all good. That's up to everybody's different, right? Some people don't like the way I operate, right? Which is fine. That's why there's multiple creators out there, right? I personally like being transparent and like telling stuff. That's why the channel was built that way. That's why I built the channel, guys. Is because of that, right? I couldn't believe the stuff these people were saying and just misleading people, and I'm like, oh man, I gotta correct this. And I started with like 3 subs. Okay, guys. Thang, that's up to you, bro. That's pretty hardcore too, right? That's up to you, man. Why would you want to waste your space on your phone or getting pop-up notifications from somebody you don't watch, right? The people that I don't watch, I unsub. And I'm just subbing to Dan the Man Show right now live because I forgot to do it the other day, bud. Just hang on a second. Okay. The Dan Man Show, I'm subbing to his channel right now because he does have his channel. Just give me a second because I told him I would, and I sub to everybody's channel. If you have a business, like Rose Pig Cooking, JP Lawn Services, or JP Lawn and More, and there's a couple other ones. Connor, do you have a channel? Because it helps. Because when people look up my name, he goes, "Oh wow, he follows these guys," right? So it just people can see that, right? Just hang on a second here. Okay, guys, I gotta stop. My dog's barking. I just gotta go to the door for a second. I'll be back in a minute. I got him. Just, come here. Hey, thanks, honey. Oh. Okay, sorry about that. I just had to run up and hold the dog while we had some company coming in. Stand. Okay. So there we go. There we go. It's okay. That gives you incentive to get on it. You're a creator, man. Yeah, Connor, I would recommend that, my friend. If you can get some stuff that you do, like what you did for me, even use mine as a template if you want, and just put that you're into the doing that type of stuff. Look at that push we had on that bar. Nice. Look at that. That's a nice candlestick. Wow, that's sexy. I'm just joking, but yeah. Oh, did you? Thing. America's Most Wanted back in 2000 or in 1988. So yeah, brother, Connor, if you want to do that, I would give you something to do over the next couple days. I would definitely build yourself up. You got the knowledge, bro. Use it, man. You do. It looks good. So it's the only way I can pay you back like that, man. I'll get you some. Well, everybody will start going. And trust me, it'll work to your advantage. It might take a little bit, but you have to start. Like I said, I started with 3 subs. Massive buying now. I noticed that. I'm watching the screen. Yeah. So there you go, brother. Yeah, just throw some our digital artwork up there, and then we'll go. Okay. Come on, guys. Let's do this. 3741. Oh, we froze. Oh, we did freeze there for a bit. We're working our ways back up. We're doing the step programming again here. Oops. Let's do a pullback. Like I said, that was early in the morning. This we're going to have. That's seems the way this stock runs. It goes down. The dip is a perfect time to buy. Like it does that. It's like weird. Oh wow, we've been on the air we've been on the air for a while now, guys. Hey, Stan. You have multi-streams income. That's smart, bro. That's what the same thing as I got. I got like 4 or 5 things on the go. Always. My poor wife. But it is what it is, right? So what was I gonna do? Oh yeah, I was gonna chuck something out. Let's see. We got 3 crows right now forming on the screen. We'll see if it is going to be 3 crows. Why is it going so slow? Is there something? Is it just my screen or is your guys' slow too? Are you guys getting slow movement? It's like, or is it my internet slow? Or are you guys getting slow? Like it's like slow. I'm getting a lag. We got no volume. No, there's something wrong. I got like nothing coming in. I'm at 63.25 million. Are you guys at the same thing? Or is my bandwidth screwing around again here? I'm going to hit the reset button. Weird. There's no way the volume dropped off that fast. That's a glitch. Yeah, that's called 3 crows, guys. Right there. So when you get that, you get a green followed by 3 reds and a green. It's called 3 crows, okay? The opposite is 3 soldiers on the other side. A green, a red, 3 greens, and a red. There's some education for you newbies. Or anybody, actually. There, that's 3 crows all day long. Usually when it's 3 crows, it's a buy signal, okay? 3 crows is followed by a green, as usually it goes green, green, green afterwards, right? Because as you can see right here, that's not 3 crow because you have the 4th one there. But look at it. See what happened? Right here. Same thing. Okay, what was I going to do? There, now we're back in business again. But yeah, the volume just like dropped off the screen. It's weird. Unless they're screwing with it again. We're the only, on my whole portfolio, we're the only one. Everything else is red. The whole market's red. At least my portfolio is. Come on, baby. Go, go, go. Push, push, push. To the moon. To the moon. Stop off at the moon and go to Pluto. Yeah, what the hell? That's weird, man. There's no way. There's no way that it just stops. Yeah, they're gonna try attacking us, guys. I'm not trying to be a guy's shitty news here. I seen that coming. They've jammed the market here on AMC for some of. They froze it somehow. Yeah, they're pissed. It's up way too friggin' high right now. These prices they're paying harsh interest and large money right now, man. I got no movement on volume. It's stuck on. Unless somebody dumped a bunch of shares on the market, a big company has or something. It's weird. It's jammed. It's stalled. There's nothing. The volume's locked at 63.48, and we're going down. So that doesn't make sense. We've overturned 12.37% today. Yeah, weird. I don't know. I don't know what's going on. Yeah, the whole market's tanking, guys, right now. Look at SPY, keep on going down. Yeah, it is. Yeah, I looked at SPY. Yeah, it is. It is. The whole market's going down. Maybe apes are involved and will be being back. A lot of people will flip their money on other stocks and come back out on EMC. I know that. I noticed that when there is a major positive movement, they both bottleneck the volume hard with only left shares buy through. Okay, sorry, Connor. Okay. When there is a major positive movement, they bottleneck the volume hard and will only let one share buys through to the lit market. I know. That's what I was talking about, Connor. Exactly. They're shelving the shares, so like they're only letting a certain amount through just to But that's gonna be through on RBC as a broker. Okay. Alex S. Thoughts on RBC as a broker? Yeah, man. Royal Bank of Canada. Any bank is good. It's a bank. You're not going to bankrupt a bank. They're going to pay you. Okay, that's what I'm. What's a good crypto broker wallet? Coinbase, I guess. That's what I've been hearing. I don't know, guys. You'd have to ask the channel here. Guys, want to help Alex out here? He is Canadian. Is there any other Canadians up here that he wants a crypto broker wallet? He wants to have a broker for crypto, a good one, a good solid one, a big company. You don't want these little small companies, guys. Yeah, guys, we're getting screwed here right now. This is legitly a screw over. They froze the market. They're not letting shares go through. Guaranteed. We've seen that coming. They're doing something. This is what we're talking about. This is the bullshit crap. This is definitely. There's no way that there's no shares coming through, that nobody's buying shares right now. That's bullshit. That's bullshit. That it's still 63.82. It was at 60.83, and now it's going down. Like, that doesn't make sense. Yeah. They're redirecting them. Coinbase is very trusted. Yeah. What DM said, I would use Coinbase. That's what I've been hearing. I'm going to use it when I buy my crypto. I'm going to be using Coinbase. They're a big company, right? Alex, since you're in Canada and you're using RBC, open an RBC TSFA account. Trade through your TSFA account, my friend. Okay? Because you don't pay as much taxes on it. You do pay some tax when you take the money out, but if you're keeping it in there and compounding it, you don't pay taxes until you take the money out, my friend. And if you're saving it for retirement, it's going to pay off to your advantage big time. Weird, man. I don't know, guys. I can't wrap my friggin' head around this one. That's bullshit. That's bullshit. That's bullshit. You guys are seeing a ladder attack in front of your eyes right now. That's exactly what this is happening. Sorry for swearing. Spencer, Block FI does, but he's Canadian. That's Canadian, isn't it? Or that's American, isn't it? Be sure to read the limits. The limits maximum on each crypto wallet if they're missing a small amount. Oh, okay. Hey, listen to DM there. He's giving you some info. Kim, I know. This is called a ladder attack. They froze the shares coming into the market, and they're only letting the sells go through right now. That's called shelving them, and that's exactly what they're gonna drive it down, man. Here we go. We're gonna be in the red no time soon. Sorry, guys, but it is what it is. There's nothing we can do. This is what we need the freaking government to get in on. This is the bullshit. Not a problem, Alex. Welcome to the channel, my friend. So, guys, this is when you start loading up, right? There's a couple of people who are asking on here, when do I buy? always on a dip. That's what we do. So I don't know. Like I said, the screen is not the real price, okay? We've all said that. There's tons of YouTubers that are saying that now, and it's true. As you can see, there's no way that there's no way that there's people not buying shares right now. Okay? This is what they do. This is see, I don't know why the SEC knows they're watching this stock. I don't know. They would know. They can see this going on in front of their eyes, and they're not doing. Oh, here we go. It stopped the game. See, every time they let shares in, they stop it. It went did, and then they stopped it. There's no way that. Man. Anyways, you're gonna get me going here. I wonder how much that cost them to do this. Connor, they get fines for this, but the fines are so minimal, it doesn't matter to them, right? It's bullshit. Probably $100,000 a minute, if not more, to do this. At least every time is an offense. But if they get more than three offenses, they should be kicked permanently off the stock market. That's what they should do. But they don't. This is Citadel. This is Citadel doing this right now, by the way. Just so you guys know that. And Goldman Sachs or whatever the fucking guy's name is. Pardon my language, but I'm getting all worked up here. Can you please talk about the exit strategies, not prices, but selling at the movement, Matt? Yes, at the movement is gone on that way down. Exit strategies, we already discussed it a couple times today, but we will go through it one more time for you, Matt. What I am doing, yeah, this is definitely a ladder attack. 100% this is a ladder attack, and it's going to get bad, guys. Just be prepared for it. It is what it is, right? They're paying interest on the money. You're not. Just remember that. Oh, I'm calm. I get upset for you guys, right? It is what it is, man. I know what I'm sitting on. I'm sitting on a big pile of millions of dollars, right? Of course they're going to fight back what they can. But they only have a little bit of time. These laws are coming out. They're screwed. They're not. They're not. We're going to lose a lot of people on the market, including myself. But I'm staying in the market. I'm doing only dividend stocks. That's it. That's it. I will not invest in anything else because you can't do this to a dividend stock. Oh, you did that? Okay, Connor. 13. Oh, that's a big difference. Correct my 1,300 out of... Wow. That's bad. That's bad, dude. That's called a market correction. Definitely. See, they're letting them through a little bit. You can see it going up. Yeah, that doesn't make sense, man. See, they probably got in shit right now and they got to let up a bit. But, like, this is nothing compared to... That's nothing for them. Look at how much money they're losing in millions a day on interest. Okay, I just wanted to read a couple questions here. Just hang on a second. I'm missing some things, I think. Exit strategy. Sorry, Matt. Back to your question. Okay, so this is just what I'm doing because I can't tell you what to do. I got 2 to 3 exit strategies. Okay, I'm selling about 180 shares. My one broker, I'm going to wipe the count out. Okay, it's the $8.23 account. There's 188 shares in there. On my way up, when I hit to amount that I'm very comfortable with, I can claim back all my money, a bit of profits, which is, I can't disclose the amount, enough for me to comfortably do what I want in life, and pay my taxes of 40%, 37 to 40%. I'm putting 40% away. Even though it's 37, I don't like surprises. I'm putting 40% away. Okay? And that's what I'm doing. And then I'm saving the rest for the big push. And I already know I'm not going to hit it at the top. Anybody that thinks they're going to hit it at exactly the top, they're on glue. Okay? Because there's going to be multiple tops. There's probably going to be 100 different tops. Okay? We don't know what the actual top will be. So then when you're comfortable, you're going to have to sit down. I'd have these exit strategies on paper in front of me and or memorized, but you should have it on paper. You should mark down what shares you have, what you're going to sell, what you're not, what you're going to do. Because when in the heat of the moment, things get crazy. Okay? So that's what I recommend doing, and that's what I'm doing. That's recommendations for myself. You guys can mirror the thing. And if you're new to the channel, Matt, and I think I've seen you before, if I remember correctly, make sure you're sub to the other channel, okay, or other YouTube channel. And I can't give you the link. You're going to have to look for it in my videos. It says other channel. So, yeah, and it's live streamed 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and there won't be any chatting there, won't be any comments there. It's all going to be locked out. This will be the channel. The guys on here are going to be discussing prices. I can't do that. They're going to be discussing what they're selling and all that. I can discuss what I'm selling at. I'm going to be doing my sales live, okay? I'm going to be doing my exit strategies live. So I will be doing it right on my phone, right in front of anybody. I don't hide shit, okay? I don't know any other channels that are doing that. Everybody seems to hide their shares, and I don't know. It's weird. It's weird shit, man. I don't know. I'm not after subs like that. I don't care about that shit. I'm here. I made some good friends. It's a good group. We have one of the best groups around. There's no, I think, you can actually talk to people, and and none of this shill shit going on, calling people hedgies and all that crap. I've seen some of these channels just knocking people down on the chat bars. We don't put up with that shit here. So, yeah, so there you go, my friend. Does that answer your question? Right? As much as I can. But, Yeah, I would definitely figure some stuff out with a calculator on the paper. Figure out what shares you need to do to gain back your profits. Here we go, guys. It is what it is. That is definitely a pure ladder attack. Look at the chart. Look at that. I'm gonna do a pullback here. Yeah, look at that. It is what it is. There's nothing we can do about it. But when it squeezes, it's gonna squeeze, right? Yep. Buy some orders with that DM. Yeah, cured. There you go. Cool. Good. Okay, what? Okay, what I was reading the other day is that the government will let the thing squeeze because they don't. Oh yeah, for sure. Stan, you're right. And then we're gonna make a substantial. They all will make enough money to pay back all the CERB, okay, and all the stimulus money. Okay, trust me, that it'll be a slam dunk for the government. Yeah, this happens a lot. This is not new. This ladder attack. We've been dealing with this since day one. This is all old shit. Like this is purely a ladder attack, man. And it's gonna. I'm not gonna quote numbers on here because I don't want to depress anybody. But yeah. It's not gonna. It's gonna be the point where you're just gonna want to shut the TV off and just go do some productive stuff around the yard or go hang out with your family and all that kind of stuff. And tomorrow we'll have another shot at it. Oh, there's Kim. There's lawsuits, but it's all protected and from. Oh, Citadel's getting sued. Robinhood has like 49 lawsuits on him right now. They're getting sued, but this stuff takes time to go through the courts, and a lot of it is a publication ban. Okay, what that means is if a company comes in and is getting sued because of their status in the world, what people look at them as is a good company, but they're not, and they're going through some bad stuff like fraud stuff. They will ask a judge. The judge doesn't always need to give it. Will ask for a publication ban. So if the judge honors a publication ban, they cannot talk about that or broadcast it live, what's going on with that company, until it's dealt with, okay? So those big companies pay out stuff to get publication bans, okay? So in a nutshell, that's what's happening with most of this stuff. Because in an open market, if you find out that these companies are going through huge lawsuits, you're obviously going to be jaded. A lot of people believe what they see when somebody gets charged, not the end result, okay? So it's a catch-22. Does that make sense, my friends? Okay, I just got a message here. We just got some breaking news coming in from the NSCC. Okay, guys, I just got a document coming in from the federal government right now. Here's a brand new document. I'm going to be doing a video on it in the next bit. Okay, NSCC-005 is slated to be published tomorrow on the Federal Register. Brand new breaking news, man. I just got this. Okay. All you need to know is that number increases the fixed amount of collateral requirement for NSCC members to put up front $10,000 to $250,000. This is done in order to protect themselves and non-defaulting members. This is good. This may impact the budget constraints on smaller cap hedge funds. It's making it so they don't go bankrupt, so they'll have to pay us. That's all this is, and they are slamming it through the system. It's being pushed through. This was on the proposal as of the end of the month, but they're putting it through now. Oh, yeah, I just read that. Okay, proposed on the 30th, but they're putting it through now because they know there's a... Guys, this is positive news. They know there's something coming down the pipeline. They're slamming it through now. Okay. The Commission finds good cause pursuant to the Section 19B2 of the Exchange Act 7.1 to provide the proposal rule change prior to August 30th, day after date of publication of partial amendment number 1 in the Federal Register, as discussed above. In partial amendment to number 1. NSCC updates is proposed rule text included a legend to indicate a delayed in implement date. Specified the rule change would be implemented no later than 20 business days after Commission approved the proposal of the rule change. There you go, guys. There's the good news for the day. There you guys go. So, there you guys go. They're so worried. The government's so worried about this that they put it through before it even got put up. You know what I mean? They slammed that section. They took a little blurb out of that 300 and some odd page document and they slammed through one section of it. It's already in. It's done. So that answers our questions today, eh? There's some breaking news. I just got them. Jay Ingram is an awesome dude. He is old school. I love him. I love, not sexual, but I love his content. He is so, he doesn't use anything, any high-tech ads he's so old, so he barely understands how to use a computer, okay? He is so cool. I like him. And it is true. It is all bribes. Yes, Alex, you're right. And I'm glad you watch his channel. He is a good old guy. He reminds me of my grandpa. Stan, I watched that show. It's good. Yeah, it's true. It's true. That's all happening right now. That is true. It's happening right now with this stock. Guaranteed. Oh. Okay. That's awesome, Alex. You watched that old guy. He's awesome. Matt, can you swing trade out of TSFA account? I don't know. I don't know anything, but you should. I don't know. Like, I don't understand. Like swing trade, like pull money in and out of it, back and forth. I think you can, yeah, as long as you don't cash out. I don't know. Double check it. Just call your bank or whoever you're the broker. Whoever you're using will tell you that information. They have to. Okay? It only takes a couple minutes on the phone. I would definitely check that out, man. I would 100%. I would be calling that. Yeah. Great on Connor. Yeah, he's a good shit, man. Good. I'm glad you guys watched Jay. I like him, man. He deserves it. That little bit of money he makes off of he's monetized his channel. He makes a little bit of money and he's a very good guy and he invests it. He's a golfer, an avid golfer. He won't even hang out with people anymore. He doesn't like people. He does his own thing. He's a good shit, okay? He won't even golf with people because they're fake. Okay, he's a very straight shooter. That is a straight shooter guy. Okay, the little ditties I called, the little cracks, little wise jokes that he has, and he can't remember half of them. I feel so sorry for him. I'd love to give him a big hug, man. He reminds me of Grandpa. I almost got tears in my eyes right now. And he really respects Lou. He loves Lou, okay? He knows, or he doesn't know Lou, like, personally, I don't think, but he really respects Lou. He watches my channel, too. I know that for a fact. If you go into his subs, and I'll show you, I can't show you right now. He is one of our, I can tell who watches the channel with the big channels. He's my secondary one down. He's the second one down. He watches my channel every broadcast comes out. He's probably watching us live right now, guys. Alex, when you tell them the truth, people get mad. Yes, that's the same thing I was going through with Lou. I was going through the same thing when I first started my channel. If you look back at when I said Citadel FBI grabs their computers, you should see how many people were calling me a liar and on, and then a month later, it was true. Like, you know what I mean? It's just weird, man. It is what it is, right? Yes, and there you go. Not financial advice. DM. Alex, was that Alex that asked that question? Or was Matt? I would call the bank, but look, DM what he just said. I didn't buy it through my TSFA because I have other stuff in there, but it's okay. It's all good. I'm okay with that. I will figure other ways. I'm not pulling all my money out of my accounts, so it doesn't really matter. I'm reinvesting into that, and they will be TSFA investments. Okay, I already know what I'm doing. Okay. He probably is playing golf right now. Damn right, he loves golf, and he has a couple boys that are in older. He loves his animals, his cats. His joke about taking his cat on a road trip, man. If I was to go to the States, I would go hang out with him, man. Like, that reminds my grandpa was identical. My grandpa's dead now. He's been dead for a long time, but as I remember him, the sayings and stuff that he had about cowboys and Indians will on a horse, a dead man's horse, all that stuff, those sayings that he says, reminds me of my grandpa so much, man. You get me all emotional right now, guys. Oh, wow. Yeah. But yeah, guys, if you guys don't even like this, I don't know, you guys should go over and sub to his channel. He's doing pretty good. He has over 11 or 12,000 subs now. But just a sub helps that guy out, man, right? Like, I don't know, if you don't watch his content, some of it's old, some people don't like that type of stuff. I understand that. Everybody has their own thing. But yeah, he supports us. He supports TS Trades. He's been subbed to my channel for, oh wow, probably when we were at a couple hundred. He was only at 30 subs when I found him. And I wrote a message on his wall, asked him to come check my channel out, and the guy subbed. I never even asked him for a sub, and he came and... Oh, is it, Alex? Okay, I will do that. I will check that out, my friend. I'll write that down right now, because I'm into that stuff. Education's power, guys. And he's saying that this is strictly only for Canadian, not that you can't watch it. It just that it's Canadian laws, so they are different. Okay, just watch out what you're doing. TSFA retirement, yeah. That's what a TFSA is really for, is retiring. You can pull money out of it. You just got to put the money back in before the fiscal year ends, or else you get stung. I've done it. I used my TSFA money to buy a house. I took it out, bought the house, and paid it back in 6 months. Okay, I flipped some stocks. The COVID pill. I hate that word, COVID. Let's call it the V pill. The V pill, not the Viagra pill. But I paper handed it. That COVID pill I did over 15 times. I made hundreds of thousands of dollars on that COVID pill. They're in a lawsuit now, and I think they're bankrupt. I think they were in Canada. But yeah, when it started at 20 cents, it went up to $2. I flipped it, made large money. I was doing $50,000 chunks, and oh man, it went tonk. All of a sudden, I made one day. My wife, I fell asleep because I always get up early in the morning. I was just having my nap, and my wife woke me up, and she goes, "Oh, this stock is all scratching, and all the alarms going. It went up 200%, and the market closed 15 minutes before she woke me up." So anyways, then it went back down to 150% the other day. I lost 50%. What it is. My fault. And no, I made really good money on it. Okay, so I want a Canadian partial wealth. Okay. Partial wealth. YouTube. Okay, thanks, brother. Thank you very much. I'll definitely be watching those videos. Thank you, Matt. I really appreciate that. Yep, Scotia, I trade, yeah. Yeah, Brad, yeah, any bank is good to use. You want to use a bank because the bank won't go bankrupt, okay? In case this gets freaking crazy, these little companies, if they're hooked to hedge funds, they might go bankrupt, okay? I'm not trying to scare anybody. It is insured, but as you know, insurance don't pay the full amount. They give you fractionals, okay? They give you a fractional of what it's worth, okay? Partial, yeah, I got it. Thank you so much, Alex. Oh, I was saying it wrong. Okay, yeah. Okay, I got it. Thanks, brother. Thank you. That's a solid move. Thanks, man. Excuse me, guys. So, Let's have a look here. Let's have a look here. See if any news came out for the half an hour here. Yeah, I don't see anything new, guys. I was just checking some stuff out for you guys. I was just checking some stuff out for you. Okay, I swing. Okay. DM the man. I swing trade out of my personal account, taxable, and hold my TSA for 10 years. Yeah, that's my TSFA. Dude, I'll never close it down. It's holding my my retirement. I know the TSFA is low interest. I don't even know what it's at, but that's not. Oh, look at this tack. Yeah, we're gonna be at par. Yeah, that's ladder all the way. There's no way that there's not one green candle out of that, because people are buying this dip, so this doesn't make sense. Or what happened was some institutional sold onto the open market, which they're not supposed to do. They're not supposed to sell on the open market. They're supposed to be in dark pool for that. That's what the dark pool is actually made for. But they're using it to everybody. It is what it is. They're trying to drive us down. It is what it is, guys. You just, like I said, just trying to get your mind off it. I know, Gerald. Yeah, it is 100% a ladder attack, guys. You're witnessing a full ladder attack right now. That's exactly what it is. They've jammed the shares. The shares are nothing's moving. It's done. It's done. Okay? And there's no way, and there's nothing we can do about it. There's nothing. This is what's jading people from the stock market. They're not stupid. They know that this is bullshit. And that's why people are, when their AMC's done, they're done. I'd say 90% of the people that are in on AMC or in the stock market on AMC, after seeing this and being part of this, all this stress, this could be in people post-traumatic stress disorder. This shit will do that to you if you watch it. If you line watch this all day, I recommend not watching this all day, guys. You can actually give yourself post-traumatic stress disorder over this. Okay, I'm not joking. Seriously, you can. What I would recommend is after this, I get off stream, is just check it a couple times a day. Just make sure you got your notification bells turned on for this channel, because I do send a podcast out. If we're in the squeeze, we go in the squeeze, I'll be sending out a podcast saying we are in a squeeze. And then there will be a link to the other channel just for the new people getting on in case you lost it or something happened. Yeah, it's going to be crazy, man. It's going to be crazy. We're diving in deep on that one. What time is it here, guys? We're already 10 o'clock. I'm going to be jumping offline here, guys, in about 2 minutes. Okay, guys? I'm going to leave us with the green day here. I don't know what's going to happen. Like I said, you can't, anybody says they can predict this, any of the channels say, oh yeah, in the next 2 days we're going to have this. It's not true. It's clickbait. Okay, I would never say that. Okay, because you can't predict this stuff. Okay, there's no indicator in the world that could tell you that. Okay, it's not. But we're going back up. Obviously, they pulled, whatever happened is over now, or at least it's trying to be. Yeah, it's not over. We're still not getting any shares coming in. Oh yeah, here we go. But this is going to cause people to buy a dip. But it doesn't matter if we don't even know if the shares are making it to the market or not. Okay, Alex, you have a good one. Yeah, same here, Spartan. Yeah, yeah, you're exactly doing the same thing as I think most of the people, and that's what I'm doing. How many days will it take to go to thousands? I don't know, my friend. These new rules are going to have to come into place. The failure to deliver, there's a whole bunch of stuff happening at the end of the month, my friend. I know it's just as much as you guys. Like I said, I broadcast it all. I'll try to keep you guys up onto it. And oh, thanks, Connor. Yeah, Alex. Yeah, you guys. Right on the front of my video page, right on the page there. If you guys haven't seen it, go check out the Volkswagen squeeze, start to finish. Watch it. It's a 6-minute video. Yeah, not a problem, Gerald. Yeah. So yeah, guys, I'm over and out. I'm gonna go have my breakfast and stuff, and just yeah, guys, it is what it is. Just I'll see you back here tomorrow morning, and if I might shoot another podcast, depends on what is happening here. I always look for some DD and stuff, but if there's nothing happening, I'm not gonna shoot any videos because I leave it to all the other YouTubes to put clickbait out there. Unless it's good information, I don't want to waste your guys' time, right? It just over stupid stuff, right? And I think you guys already know that. Okay, guys? Love y'all. And Wolfpack, keep the shit real, which you guys are. Over and out. Peace.